Basia suko situminutse situgies kibona kampani nkizo tumenya ko show ibonetse ubwo ngubwo tuvuga tekanicane noneho n'umusobanuzi wafashe mu ndabizi kandi Fevwane kundwa n'Imana n'abana se mwebwe muzanyima amafaranga mu nyime n'urukundo ubundi amwumva umutima mutindi mutazawupfa yo Hammerstone Studios Lions Gate Agaswanifilms.com Gaheza Simba Entertainment kubufatanya tangire hakuno Debe mugabo uri kuri ya microonde dodoro ukuntu ari kureba kuri nk'imbwa itegereje inyama
What?
Iki?
Oh, come on.
Gira ariko microonde aribana irongera iraka shuje nimba ari agakawa nimba ari iki
Thank you.
urakoze turakoze bwira microonde nimba ziko yumva gabari hakuno Debe chega cyo bucucu bundi ngeyo mfashe muri filime ariko mamuzi bigiye kuba namwe murabizi hakuno kumugabaraho fo abakomanga sinzi kureba hano kumbe hanze hari inyamaswa bazita ngo icyari imuzi akeka za muri bya bihugu byo Alaska kabisa nuko muri za Alaska niho zibera izi nyamaswa ubundi zaba ari nyinshi noneho muri Alaska Dodo hasi ku mavi polisi iramwinjirana shira hasi
I'm cooperating.
We ngenda korana namwe mu mahoro
I'm cooperating.
Je turakorana mureke kuntsindagira hasi okay hakuno
Gotcha.
Ndagufasha
Winston, how you been?
Meze bite Winston wari umeze ute
Madeline Harris, you
Banyita Madeline Harris
Marshal.
The US Marshal
You're a hard man to track down.
Shaka kuguhiga birakoranye
Deal.
Je twurumvikana ariko
I want to make a deal.
Shaka twumvikana reka twumvikana
Chawe. Oh.
microonde iraturika byari biye
It's chicken noodle.
utunodozi nari ntetse mwana nari
On the bed.
umuginga mu mujugunye ku buriri ndaje
Bedspread, not the bedspread. It's crusty.
bajugunya hakuno
So.
Do
Winston, you want to make a deal
Winston ushaka twumvikane
against Moretti.
ujya gushinza Moretti cyangwa
Okay.
hakuno
But I want full immunity.
ariko murabanza mu budahangarwa bwuzuye kabisa
Lots of protection.
mume n'umutekano uhambaye okay
All right.
sawa
Let me call it up the chain.
reka mpamagare twumve uko babyumva bakire abankuriye hakuno gobwa
It's Harris.
ni Harris
Yep.
yego
Clean capture.
twamufashe neza cyane
Listen, he wants to make a deal.
ngarashaka kumvikana yego
Copy that.
sawa ndabyumva
Keep me posted.
mukomeze mumbwire ko posted
Get
mukomeze
comfy. This could take a couple of days.
shatuzi ibi biraza gufata iminsi kabisa ntabwo ubudahangarwa gutyo gusaba bugwereza leta irabanza
I
ikabyiga
don't want to be that guy, but I have to use the facilities.
mwana ntabwo nshaka nyine kubisi nica ariko
Oh, come on, don't look at me like that.
mwindeba gutyo mwana
These guys literally scared the shit out of me.
aba bajinga barampanze mwagira ngo bigende bite hakuno umusore bamucanaho yamuzana hano
Could I have some privacy?
ase wampa akanya nkabanza nkikora ibyo nkora uncitse se
Okay. But if you don't take off these cuffs,
hanyuma se
you're the one
utavana aya mapingu
that's gonna have to do the paperwork.
ubwo si uri uze kunkorera akazi ka pepa n'iki toilet paper so uri buze kumpanagura mu buryo bumwe cyangwa
Jeff,
Bob na Jeff
Yes, ma'am.
yego mabuja
I have a job for you.
mbafitiye akazi muze mbereke mbafitiye akazi Flight Risk niryo zina rya filime ni ukujya mu ndege ariko wigengesera ibiri buze kuba ibyo aribyo byose akarembo katawana no Who was that a while ago? Hakuno tuvuyeho turacari muri Alaska ubundi urebye imisozi ukabona uru rubura n'ukuntu imisozi bitewe tubona ko tukiri muri Alaska kabisa ya muri iyi minsi ko anytime amufurayiti muzanyuzwa n'iki hey hari igihe utu turete n'itayimundi abantu ukatamo gisirimu n'ipoye.
Get in.
Injira mu ndege.
What was this?
Iki ni igiki?
Carter, Winston. Get in.
Reka cyabakanga Winston, injira mu ndege ureke gushyushya abantu.
They chartered a private plane and think of Gulfstream.
Mwana mujya kuvuga ngo turagenda mu ndege iri prive, numvaga ari nka Gulfstream.
You know, Jay-Z level
Yine
shit.
nka ya ndege Jay-Z agendamo tu.
Popping bottles full of bubbly.
Nari nzi ko tugenda duturitse udushampanye.
Fucking Dramamine.
Apana iki kidege kimeze gutya.
Never said jet.
We nakubwiye ngo indege ntago nigeze nkubwira iyo ari.
Private plane, and that's what this is.
No.
Nakubwiye turagenda mu ndege bwite kandi niyo tugiye.
Plane. This is a kite with seatbelts.
Hasi ubu ko hano harimo imikandara n'ibiki wa mpamvu.
I'd rather be on Spirit Airlines.
Ubundi byarutwa nkajya kwitegera Spirit Airlines aho kugenda mu kadege nk'aka ngaka.
What do you want me to say?
Uragira ngo nkubwire iki Winston?
Time hideout.
Ubutaha
Miami, maybe you get a jet.
uzajye kwihisha muri Miami, niho haba indege nk'izo, niho
Bomber
tuzagukura.
on me. Drag me all the way out to Snowblow, Alaska.
Nanjye wamurutuje utuma nza kuguhiga hano muri Alaska.
Options get a little more limited.
Urumva ko amahitamo nari nsigaranye
You can land a jet out here.
Yeah, well, it's a little hard to go off the grid
ariko no
in Miami.
And a lot
muri
of
Miami byamvuna ngiye kwihisha.
did that, did you?
Ni ikintu ni ikigoryi bafashane, ariko ngo kirashaka gutanga amakuru gishinze Moleti kiri kuvugurura urudege mu njyanye mu runashaje mwabajinga mwe yo mu njyana mu ndege nziza leta niba yishyuye. Hakuno
You guys go ahead, I'll be there in a second. Van Zandt,
Vincent
It's Madeline.
Madeline
starting to get worried.
nari ntangiye guhangayika.
Don't be. We're
Wihangayika.
just about good to go.
Tugiye kugenda.
Is he cooperating?
Yemeye gukorana natwe se akaduha
If
amakuru.
I say no, can I tase him?
Ndamutse mvuze ngo hoya se naba nemerewe kumukubita nk'akantu nka mujo kanjono.
Right here, I can hear you.
Akuzi ko ndi hano ndi
3
kukumva.
days in motel sucks.
Iminsi 3 ari muri
He
hoteli
hasn't shut up once.
Oh,
ntago ajya ziba ngo afunge umunwa na rimwe.
come on, you loved every minute of it.
Buri munota ndi kuvuga uri kubyishimira.
You miss being behind a desk.
No.
Mwana wimbwira ko ukumbuye kwicara muri office aya.
Seriously, Caroline.
Carolina wapi pe.
You. For putting me in the field.
Ahubwo wakoze
Again.
kungarura mu kibuga mwana.
Push back.
Don't thank me yet.
Winshimira
Judge
mwana.
Martin recused himself. I'll give you
Judge Martin niwe wabigizeho uruhare.
3 guesses who's on deck.
Stewardess, is there a meal on this flight, or is there...
Ako muri indege turagenda turya utuntu tw'udusnacks.
Shut up, Winston.
Winston winsakuriza. Okay.
Yeah, replaced with who?
Judge
Bose bamuhinduje nde.
Martin himself.
Falco.
Yeah, I know.
Falcon niwe ugiye gukora akazi.
And true to form, he's not letting us push the trial date again.
Oh, you're kidding.
N'itariki y'urubanza bayisunitse ubwo Moleti urubanza rw'igihe ruzabera babyigije imbere.
Look, it's gonna be
Uri
fine.
kunkinisha mwana we birasi kumera.
Standing by to meet you in Anchorage.
Team irahari iragutegereje kuri Anchorage, we hagera uhazana uwo musore.
There in about.
Kiraho
We should be there in about 90 minutes or so.
ndakeka mu minota nka 90 turaba tugezeho cyangwa iki.
These
Okay.
lawyers are trying to run out the clock on us, but I've done the math.
Umwavoka wa Moleti ari kugerageza gutinza igihe,
Still make New York
ariko nanjye nakoze imibare yanjye.
morning, okay?
Ndakeka mu gitondo muramutse mugere aho mugiye ku gihe, mu gitondo mwamuri muri New York.
Let's get going.
Yeah.
Sawa,
All right, call me from Anchorage.
umpamagare nugera muri Anchorage aho indege iri bubaparike,
By the book, okay? Don't embarrass us. I gotta...
kandi ugendere ku mategeko ntudusebye. Kambe ngiye mwana Godland.
So, any in-flight entertainment?
None
Or,
si indege tugiye kugendamo nta tuntu twa danje
do
turi
you know any party tricks?
utuntu tw'udukino tw'iki. Deputy Harris
Booth.
njye banyita Daryl Booth. Wamubonye Mark Wahlberg n'umuhitinzi sha yagukiniye filime nka Lone Survivor, yagukiniye The Union, yagukiniye filime nka Killers,
It's a beautiful day for it.
kiniye filime nka Infinity.
I normally don't let my passengers board before me.
It's for your own safety.
Jewe ubundi sinjya ntuma abantu bari mu ndege yanjye bagenda bameze gutya, ni kubw'umutekano wawe muri aho.
Okay. What you packing there, a Glock or?
We're in a bit of a
Iyo
rush,
mbunda ufite ni bwoko ki se? Ni Glock cyangwa ni iki?
Mr.
Turi
Booth.
kwirukanka Mr. Booth.
Yeah.
Yego mabuja. Rebe, hakuno niwe pilote ugiye kubatwara uyu mugabo shano muhitinze. None afite n'ibintu by'ibifaranga byinshi cyane. Mujye muri network ye muraza kumubona ko ari umwe mu bakinnyi ba filime
You
b'abakinnyi.
sure you don't want to ride in the back there with him?
Se ntabwo ushaka kugenda wicaranye nawe hari inyuma.
Absolutely not.
Wapi.
Tough with all the sexual tension.
Kigo rya rata mu rwego rwo kwirinda ko umuntu ashaka kuza kubomora.
Well, only meant, shouldn't somebody be watching him?
Well, he's
Ese nta muntu wakabaye ari kumucunga.
restrained, Mr. Booth. He's
We
not.
araziritse
Going anywhere.
nta hantu ari buze kujya wenyizera tugenda.
The boss.
Ntwazi ikiyebe kikamitana. Nako niwe boss narebe tugenda.
Fugitive before.
Sinigeze ntwara umuntu uri guhigwa na mbere. Uri gucika.
Witness.
Je ntago ndi fugitive ndi gucika ndi umutangabuhamya.
Shut up, Winston.
I'm a
Winston iziba hariko.
government witness, not a...
Je ndi umutangabuhamya ushaka gukorana na leta ntago ndi guhigwa sindi gucika.
Same side.
Akuribuka ko ndiyo.
Not another word.
ako wambabarira ukaziba mu kinga.
Well, we're looking at moderate clouds and light wind.
Tugiye kugenda mu kirere kirimo ibihu muyaga mwinshi.
Appreciate it if you didn't address the prisoner.
Nawe ntiwongere kuvuga ngo ni
Yes,
imfungwa.
ma'am.
Yego mabusha, yego mabusha. Hakuno mfite akadege ke ka cyaba kanga do.
U.S. Marshal before neither.
Sinigeze ntwara umusirikare wa Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika na mbere ariko nje
Once though, that was real cool.
nigeze gutwara foka ariko byari sawa. Hakuno tu mugoresha ari umupilota ari kumuzonga ari watwari kumuzonga.
Center, November 2.
College Center iyi ni November 2008 uniform over muri kutwumva cyangwa
Runway 3.
twiteguye guhagurutsa indege muri rana wa 34 akadege hano
November 2.
ejo data November 2008
Take off, runway 3.
baratwemereye ngo dutware indege tugende muri rana ya 34 witeguye kugenda yego beti none hakuno ikindi cyabaye zamura akadege kandagira akadege ubudege kaba kaparika no muri kaburimbo muri karitsiye muhumure mwa indege mwaziburiye ahubwo nta muntu mwandangira ufite aga private jet akodesha muri iyi minsi ko hari utuntu nshaka gukora private jet ariko apana private shop oya private jet bwa budege nyine bw'abasirimu nkajya no gukodesha moto ya Spiro ni ibibazo ikiragi yako hata ukwiheba si wakwibeshya hakuno akadege nuko kagurutse muri Alaska akadege gatoya ka cyaba kanga indege ntabwo ibagezeyo tu cyonzi cyo ntabwo ibagezeyo shaje nka ya modoka ya Didimani ujya untwara twagera ahantu ku kiziba kandi ngumva se zamura amaguru mwana bro zamura amaguru bro baza atagutarukira imvura yabiri kugwa tugivemo tujye kugama hakuno ariko iginsova insova henshi ibyo bya none se yo ni dodani twuri we wampare kuteri ntago nkumva mabusha ntago nkumva indege ifite urusaku ubishyiremo utuziki ari kugenda yirira show indege nubwo ishaje irimo umuziki mabusha arumva
Not digging the music?
ko kazi icyo uri kukumva
Yeah, I know.
ndabizi
But up here, got to have some tunes to
hano
drive.
hejuru umwana umuntu aba akeneye akantu k'akaziki kakwibagiza umuyaga n'ibirura biri hariya hasi
She gets it.
maze na kariya kantu kakayumva hakuba twewe bamuziritse ari kucyo bita isheni
1,000 feet.
ndakeka ubu tumaze kugera nko muri fiti 3,000
The number of passengers that left their lunch up here. Hello? I can open a snack bar.
mwana njye nzafungura snack bar mo hano abantu bajya bafatiramo na lunch yemwe ntabwo bamwe hase ntabwo mu nyumva cyangwa
What if I need to take a piss?
nimba nshaka se gucupa icupa unywa itabi
No, I quit.
wapi nari
Pick one.
njyera atari ibi
Ain't the same, huh?
nanjye sinkirinywa hakuno kureba umugabo batwaye hano afite igikomere ku gutwi afite
That's
amaraso
okay.
ako umeze neza ku ijosi
Got a scratch there.
ko mbona wagira ngo wakomeretse
Occupational hazard.
narindi gukora kugenda nsudira mfunga amavisi muri indege akantu karankomeretsa maintenance hakuno bamufunze kujya gukura gutera ibirago kubera iki mwamushyize ku isheni
He said he was a witness. Why is he all chained up?
ko yambwiye ngo ni umutangabuhamya kuki ari ku isheni
He's a flight risk.
kubera ko iyi ni risike twafashe tujya kumushyira muri iyi ndege
He said you two are on the same side.
kandi yambwiye ngo we nawe muri ku ruhande rumwe njye niko natekereje arabeshya
What did he do?
yakoze ikize
Okay, forget I asked.
sana ko byibagirwe ko nabikubajije nari
Damn, my usual halls, a drunken fishing party or a bunch of suits trying to experience true nature.
none ndabizi ubu hasa hari ikigo ry'igisinzi gitangiye kubona ikirere cyiza ukuntu hano hameze
Yoko pilot.
hakuno
Never seen a girl as pretty as you from the big city.
cyose nari narigeze mbona umukobwa ubangama nkawe uturuka mu mujyi
Long?
maze igihe kinini utwara indege
Yeah, my dad is a crop duster, Texas.
data nawe yatwaraga indege
I got DDT in my blood.
Well, thank you.
nazababeshyara akantu numvishe
Girl as pretty as
hakuno
from the big city.
You been flying long?
data umaze igihe kinini utwara indege
Yeah, my dad is a crop duster,
reka data yari umuhinzi muri za Texas
I got DDT in my blood.
urumva mfite DDT mu maraso yanjye njye ndi umuhinzi bimbamo DDT namwe murayizi ni ya miti batera mu bihingwa ngo ubusimba butazica za DDT yapa mu kinyarwanda kiza na za kiyode ibintu nk'ibyo.
Well, thank you. I'm very
data murakoze yari kwibaraguza nta muntu umwiteho ntibanamwumva.
relationship with you, so I could
Je nakabaye nkundana nawe.
completely control. That would work just fine for me. Cousins, we'd be married.
So I came up here doing summer charters maybe 15 years ago.
Nibwo naje muri ibi bintu hafi nk'imyaka 15 ishize vuga njya mu kirere. Kuva icyo gihe natwara indege sindigera nongera kubivamo.
Sorry.
Hakuno.
Always said I tough.
Ebe kugenda batembera bari mu kadege batwaye umusore ngomba kujya gushinza umugabo bita Moleti. Ebe hakuno.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Uraza kubimenyera. Twaye akadege. Bariye muri ya misozi ya za Alaska ndabizi mfite abahungu baba bankurikirana n'abakobwa muje munera na peace ariko sturi inshuti.
Okay.
Muhumure nta mafaranga yanyu aba diaspora nshaka dore ko muzi ngano bose ndababaka amafaranga.
Now on me.
There's no GPS.
Ngejo ndi ari umurara bo twari turi gupanga direct abwa ngaho ko Kigali aho ngo
That's no big deal really. I mean, happens twice a week.
ibi nta byadanje biba nka kabiri cyangwa gatatu mu cyumweru.
Oh, serious. I mean, I fly this route all the time. 75 minutes.
Hano hantu nsanzwe maca mu minota nka 75 turaba tugeze ku butaka dupfa.
Witness.
We n'inshuti yawe nakuriya mutanga
I
buhamya.
promise.
You don't think we should turn back?
Gusi ngombwa ngo dusubire inyuma ko itumanaho rivuyeho.
Heck no.
Oya.
I mean, it's your call.
Nako ni wowe untegeka tu.
Paid either way.
Ko n'ubundi muri
So we're
bonyishyira.
moving in from the north. We head back now.
Ikirere kiri guturuka mu majyaruguru igihe
Probably
ukiremere.
gonna ground us for a few hours.
Turamutse dusubiye inyuma byadufata amasaha make.
I know the
Minota nka
way
75.
I'm gonna get you there.
Wenda haza ahantu tugenda kugezayo mabuja. Wumva utuje kabisa. Wumva utuje wenda kugezayo. Hakuno. Itagano hano kagakinisha mu ndege. Akagenda gaceza kiri wanzenze kiri waya yakati kari bombe. Hakuno. Obgano.
How long you been with the marshals?
Ese umaze igihe kingana iki uri masho muri umusirikare?
Almost
Myaka
8
7
years.
hafi 8.
You like it?
It
Urabikunda?
has its moments.
Bigira ibihe akiraho cyawe yandira banza nabasekuru.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Bari oya bimeze sawa.
Strike is off. I'd be.
Ni inyoni gusa nta byadanje hano kandi ubundi inyoni ishyira indege hasi.
Well, I better get a little higher in case there's more.
Reka nzamure indege hejuru tutaza kugenda tugongana n'izindi nyoni. Ako ntago najya hejuru cyane kuko nshobora guhwera. Indege iri hejuru cyane uranahwera da pressure iragukanda.
Is the plane?
Ese neza?
Ah, plane's
Ese ni ikibazo cy'indege indege yanjye imeze neza.
I even scrubbed blood off of it, but
Hakuno kureba hano musore kureba hano wa mupilote yicaye ikarita yabonye utasinzi ako mwakanze kuri delete mukanya nimba hasinyare murakanda yinta ku gifilime nk'ikindi kimeze gutya ntazi ngo cyaturumbutse ndasobanutse imbere yo gukora filime mukwiye kujya munsaba uburenganzira reba
she
mwana
great.
urabona atari mwiza
For entertainment?
kubera akabyina kagushimishije
Oh, now she's resilient.
reba nawe reba ukuntu kameze
Yeah.
sasa yarebye hano
$10 words, right?
rebye hano ikarita iri hano
Bye. The fact is, she
ntuzagira umuntu bibwira nyine
all the bumps and
akomeza yibyinira kane kari agakinisho kari kuvuga hano kureba ari riputhu
like that.
wari utwaye indege wagombaga kuba atwaye indege ntabwo ari uyu mugabo yitwaye yarebye ikarita iriya ni ikarita iguye ivuye hehe ivuye mu mufuka wa kiriya kigabo gitwaye indege arabibona ko ari gutwara indege atari uyitwaye kandi aje yita amazina ye bivuze ngo ari gutwara indege si uyu sasu ari gutwara indege ari uyu bwoba buramwica yagasani mana yanjye yarabibonye
Hey,
yewe kanjira arabura uyu yemwe
can you hear me?
uri kunyumva ra
Oh, Christ.
Yesu Kristo do nyine
What do I do?
ndakora iki hakuno yapanitse iki kigabo ushobora no gusanga ari n'icyincenyi twabonye gifite n'amaraso ku matwi banza fata ishata yica igipesi agikubita uriya
Hey,
upfa mwana iki
I need to talk to you.
sha tuvugane nje nawe iki
I dropped something
hari akantu nari ntaye hasi ushaka kumwereka ikarita
on the floor by my
hasi
foot.
nyine hasi ku kirenge cyanjye hasi
No.
uraza kurwana nabyo mwana
I'll start off.
oja genda umva ntameze neza
Here, Winston.
Winston simbyiteho
I
zibari
feel really bad.
nshaka kwesa imigo ubimire
Bad.
nshaka ukabimire genda umva ameze nabi
I think we should turn around.
mwaretse tugakata
Take
tugasubira
some deep breaths, Winston.
musa we humeka Winston uraza kumera neza
Says he
ikibazo
felt
cye
sick.
ngo arumva atameze neza ngo ararwaye si Kigali we hakuno Winston arabibonye ko iki kigabo tu hey musa kureba hano
Get in the bag.
gerageza uruke hano utandukira mu ndege kureba hano umugabo afite andi maraso ku kaboko hey jiruku birukema muri envelope
Tell ya. One on every flight.
sinakubwiye mwana
What's our ETA?
tugeze bimeze bite
An hour.
hasigaye nk'isaha imwe tukaba tugeze iyo tugiye okay umugore ariko yaketse nawe
Gonna see civilization again.
turongera kugera mu bantu ngo tubabone ryari turenze imisozi
Around these parts.
sha wapi
Not till final approach.
paka tugiye kugera iyo tugiye until the final approach twenda kugera aho tugiye okay urarabyumva ariko hari ukuntu buriya ureba igihuru ukamenya ikirimo igihunyira yapanitse hano ni Winston we ni umutangwabuhamya ugiye gushinza ngo icyebe bita Moleti
How'd you know about Seattle?
ese ibintu bya Seattle wabibwiwe ni iki okay
Earlier.
kare tujya
Have us
gute
on our way to Seattle before we knew it.
wavuze ngo inzira itugeza Seattle urayizi mbere yuko tunabimenya
How'd you know that's where we're headed?
wari uzi gute kariho tugenda
Where else could you go?
ahandi se wari kubugiye ni
For Alaskan. I can tell you.
ntabwo uri uwo muri Alaska
Yeah.
ibyo byo nabihamya
There's no way you're staying in Anchorage. No offense.
kandi ntabwo uri buze kuguma muri Anchorage aho indege iri buduparike bwa mbere wapi ndikubona
If I had to guess,
nafomboje
I'd say you got that Yankee blood.
ndi kubibona ko mu maraso ya harimo amaraso y'abayanki
Much of an accent, but you remind me of this gal I used to fiddle with.
ariko nyibukije kera umurara wanjye twajyaga tugira
Can I read the ATC on these? I need to check in.
hanyuma si yo radiyo yawe ibyo byombo by'itumanaho muri iyi ndege byakunze cyane
Protocol.
Yeah, all right, sure.
yego reka mbanze nsuzume
Center.
Anchorage
My
Center
208 uniform.
November 208 over muri kutwumva
I'm in Anchorage Center. This is November 208 uniform.
iyi ni November 208 uniform over muratwumva cyane Anchorage Center
Must be the mountains blocking the signal.
wabona ari imisozi iri kubloka sinyare yacu
Another few minutes.
ariko mu minota mike biraza kumera sawa wanjye mwe wumva utuje ibi hakuno hey cyari mu kadege baracyari kuzerera bakita ka cyabakanga tugereye batwita twarejeje nawe muri karitsiye mu cyaro warihingiye nka hegitari y'ibigori bikera neza ukagurisha cyangwa hegitari y'ibijumba ukeza ukajyana ku isoko ushobora kuza ukakagura tuba tugura makeya wenda ubusanga iriya rensi yo kudutunga ari y'ibigori nawe uzizi mwumva utuje nzakabagurira umunsi umwe njye mbahamo iminyenga ntago nzapfa ntakizereka izo nzozi mba nzifite njye ase ko n'ubundi napfuye
Eskimo soup.
hakuno
Flying community up here must be a pretty small group.
mwana umenya ariko abantu bagurubutse indege muri inama muri iyi misozi baba ari bake ni small group
Flew me here last week. Jenny Janikowski.
mu minsi ishize nanjye nigeze kuza inahanzana n'umupilote bita Jenny
Janikowski?
Janikowski
Sure.
uriya murara
Great guy.
yararenze
One time up in Nome, he and I got our hands on some nitrous in a welding torture well.
jye nawe twigeze gukorana akazi indege yangiza kugira ibibazo amfasha itoroshi ndi gusudira ahantu yari yagize ikibazo
Like I said,
uko nakubwiye
Yeah.
yari umusore urenze kabisa
Yeah,
okay
seemed like it.
bisa nkabyo
Except she's a woman.
ikibazo se ko ari umugore
I'll even been his sister.
cyari kuvuga mushiki we
What do you mean? I could tell you some stories about her too.
nawe najyaga numva inkuru z'uwo mukobwa yamuketse
Buying that now, are you?
ntabwo uri kubyemera sibyo
I knew
None
that'd
utabyemera
be fun.
nari mbizi ko biraza kumvuna cyawe tara kuraho imbunda irwanya n'ikigabo wimurasa tumukeneye ari muzima do cyawe kigabo hakuno mbunda ku ruhande kigabo n'icyicanyi kigali we undege mfite icyuma mwana mfite icyuma
I don't want to kill you.
tuza sinshaka kukwica mukobwa
Body isn't any fun.
umukobwa arakiruma icyuma ku ruhande icyuma ku ruhande urwembe sinzi kandi itara arabanza akimena itara
I love it when they play hard to get.
njye bundi mbikunda iyo kubibona bimvunnye nyine tu nkunda kipfushije nkunda kamvunnye tu
You're gonna be a party, huh?
ugiye kuba show wowe You gonna be a pally. Wewe ugiye kuma show.
Fuck up.
Siba nawe wa kigoryo. Sibaho. Tamuzirika.
Mr. Moretti is very disappointed in you, Winston.
Winston Mr. Moretti wa mutunguye ka.
Yes.
I haven't told him anything.
Arashaka uri umupfara gushara umupfu. Nta kintu ndavuga.
Say one word.
Nta kintu nayo.
Winston, stop.
Winston, ceceka rekera.
Stop. I know.
Dabizi.
And you haven't said a word.
Dabizi ko nta kintu uravuga. Nta kintu navuze.
Yeah. And now you never will.
Ubu rero nta nicyo uzigera uvuga.
I can pay you.
Nakwishyura mwana umusoro.
Have a little self-respect, will you?
Wagiye wiyubaha basi.
Serious.
Ni seriye mwana.
$1 million
Miliyoni y'idolari
in crypto.
muri cryptocurrency mu y'amafaranga ama bitcoin n'ibiki bintu byose y'amafaranga aba online.
Completely untraceable. You gotta let me go.
Y'amafaranga umuntu atagukurikirana ari untraceable.
Look like the kind of guy who deals in fucking crypto.
Ese umusoro iyo urebye isura urabona ndi umuntu wizera muri za cryptocurrency jewe.
Fine. Then cash.
Basi naguha cash.
Hell, what does it matter? We're talking
Basi icyo ushaka icyo ari cyo cyose.
$1 million here.
Ipfa kuba ari miliyoni
All
y'idolari.
that just squirreled away, huh?
I was Moretti's accountant, so
Ayo mafaranga yakura yese. Nahoze ndi umunyamibare wa Moretti.
I skimmed.
Nyine nanjye namwibye mu make. Miliyoni y'idolari mwana.
You got some fucking balls.
Muginga uranatinya.
How much money I hid for that man?
Ese uza amafaranga nahishiye uriya mugabo kunanga.
He sure doesn't.
Nawe ubwe ntazi amafaranga afite
You
ukwagana.
wouldn't believe how many people got a taste. This one guy in Sankaty, Massachusetts got $25,000 a month.
Nk'ubu hari umuginga uba muri Massachusetts buri kwezi noherezaga 25,000 by'idolari kandi nkayamuhereza buri gihe uko boss aminsabye.
It's just let me walk away.
Wende kanigendere mwana. Kobwa ari gukanguka nawe.
What was your plan?
Ubundi se ufite uwe
You
mupango.
were gonna fly us to some abandoned airstrip.
Ugiye kudutwara se ugenda udute nk'ahantu mu
Just
misozi.
for the wolves.
Udusigira ibirura biturye.
No.
Oya.
Bears more likely.
Amadubu ubundi niyo ari bo barye mwebwe.
Time of year.
Iki gihe ntabwo ibirura biba bizenguruka muri uru rubura amadubu niyo abazenguruka mu bears.
After we've had our fun.
Ariko ibyo biraza kuba tumaze kurya show. Nanyumva?
Okay. But here's the thing.
Mva mwana ukuntu ibintu bimeze.
Who's gonna know?
Mundi se ninde uzabimenya?
I will disappear forever.
Ndagenda mpite mbura iteka ryose.
Say you did your job. Plus, you get $1 million extra in your pocket.
Ukagenda ukavuga uti njye wantumye kwica namwishe nanjye nagoye miliyoni y'idolari.
Win-win.
Si twaba dutsinze twese si win-win. Pega.
And her?
Hanyuma si umugore we.
What about her?
Ibyo se ngo ni ibiki? To. Umugore. We biragenda bite? Hakuno umugore.
Look at her.
Murebe nyine uyu mugore.
You walk away, she's still gonna die.
Nugenda uyu mugore araza gupfa.
Die because of you?
Kandi arabapfuye kubera
But
wowe.
then you, huh? To cut her loose? Just like
Tuwe mupanga umuhambure nawe agende gutyo gusa wa muginga.
those stitches.
Izi rinete ntazo ugikeneza nana. Ntazo ugikeneye.
You still look like a pussy.
Goragira gutya avaneyo utiza.
Difference between me and you is twin.
Meze nk'ipusipusi nimba bisobanuye iki. Uzi itandukaniro riri hagati yanjye nawe se?
I don't know. $1 million?
Ntago mbizi ni miliyoni y'idolari. Cyaboy.
Oh my God!
Have some fucking decorum, you hear me? I'm trying to have a nice time. Don't you dare fucking disrupt that.
Gwaryo ndi kugerageza kugira ibihe byiza ntumvanje. Sanda
Listen,
kuva
I
umusa.
do this for free.
Ibi ngibi nabikorera ubuntu kuko mbikora
You
nishimisha.
like that? We're gonna have
Cyangwa ukunyura akaboko ngahindukiza.
Okay.
Hakuno. Hey. Fata hakuno. Hey. Fatanagiye kuniga umugore.
You gotta wake up! Did you hear me right now?
Kanguka mwana bagiye kukuniga kanguka. Cyataza umugore yakangutse afite tizahita tizinga urugoryi ararutizinga do rufite n'ikintu cy'igihara kimeze nk'icyandese ko nta musobanuzi tuziranye ufite igihara ngo mbamusigera.
You okay?
yari yambaye ikiwiga igiperiga. Winston ntago ndi guhumeka.
You gotta let me out of this. You gotta let
Ntago ndi guhumeka nje.
There's no air in here. It is way worse getting raped by both guys.
No one's
Ngiye gufatwa ku ngufu n'urugoryi nk'uru nguru rufite n'uruhara bald guy.
you.
You want a bed?
We nta muntu ugiye kugufata ku ngufu.
Did you see where the knife went?
Icyuma abonye yacaguye cyawe intambara zivuga mundi bushya arongera aramutizinga udaramuniga dore ngo barakoma ha imvura y'indege na indege iracurama indege imanuka bucumu nyagasani ibi biraza kurangira biti indege imanuka bucumu mu misozi y'indege iracurama
Please, I'll be good. I've been a piece of shit.
Nukuri nzagenda mbe pasiteri mana nuntabarije uyu munsi. Kadege karacurama nukumanuka gasekura umusozi. Uyu baramutizinga, undi nawe baramuniga. Awi, wo bagatizinze. Umuriro waramukubise uba mwinshi arahwera. Mufaneho mwana mufaneho. Kadege kari kumanuka kicuritse sinzi ariko. Eguke hindukire mwana. Uzamura ibyo uzamura indege. Gasani mananje za hakuno nimba twabyita vora sinzi ukuntu bakita banza bakizamura arakibyimba vora y'indege arayikurura arayizamura yapu habuze rimwe ritanga abiri akadege akagarura mu kirere habuze rimwe ritanga abiri Nyagasani habuze rimwe ritanga abiri karabaye sinzi ebe kore yarebye hano sikigari we yazamura indege uze gato ikigabo cyari kibishe indege arabanza yishyira muri autopilot egera abanje yisetinga muri autopilot ze gato rimwe ritanga bi US Marshal do yamutizinze umugabo arashyarananuka ari gucumba umwotsi pega umugore Winston we
Are you okay?
umeze neza you okay Winston wa mukinga
No.
Wapi?
I'm not okay.
Wowe urabona meze neza si meze neza.
Pissed myself.
Je ni nyariye nawe uri kumbaza ngo nkwe. Abantu bigirira ubwoba bwo bubarimo nyine tu.
What are we supposed to do?
Just let me think
Dukora iki se?
for a second.
Reka ntekereze by'akanya gatoya. Ntekereze. Hakuno. Gutya banza afata imbunda yayikenyereraho umugore. Uri gushaka iki cyuma sinzi banze nivaneho
First aid kit.
warebye ile first aid kit isura buramo icyuma kwe nze kate kari akantu bamuzirikishije na kazipu takuno ukasi.
Come on, I can help. Just unlock me.
Jena gufasha mpambuye wapi.
What do you think I'm gonna do?
Cheka nkora iki
the pilot?
Nataka umupiloto ntwaye se nico ndi bukora ubundi bwo n'uyu mpambu. Sawa. Fasha umukasi hano.
Easy.
You know what?
Ko nta nubwo ari umukasi ni twiza gafite ukuntu gasongoye hejuru.
I got it.
Sawa. Koze.
Okay, that wasn't so hard.
Ntabwo byari bikomeye mwana.
Get him into the back before he wakes up.
Uyu muginga nkeneye kumujyana inyuma mbere yuko akanguka.
Fuck that, shoot him.
Umbaze ikisera simbwara simbobo.
Innocent murder the shit out of us.
Ikigoryi cyari kigiye kutwica.
He's killing anybody. Besides, we might need him.
Nta muntu ugiye kwica undi hano dushobora kuza kumukenera. Umukeneramo iki se? Uzi gutwara indege?
Sure as shit not gonna tell us how to do it.
Hanyuma se bwo yaba bizi urabona ari bubitubwira. Tambeshe urabona ari bubitubwire do. Ufite ikintu cy'igihara. Michael Park.
Son of a bitch.
Inyana yimbwa. Son of a bitch. Bitch ni imbwa y'ingore. Sani namwe murabyumva. Dukomeze. Mwana wa maraya.
Thank you. Now do my cuffs.
Aya mapingu. We ayo mapingu yo wakomeza ukamuvinga ukiyambaye reka kwibara gusa. Sawa?
Alright. No sudden movements.
Me? It's not my fault we're in this position.
Just pull.
Wesu ni kurura. Hakuno. Kingano yarabishe abuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Arabazi neza bivuze ko umupiloto ari gutwara indege nyine suyo.
What are you doing in there?
Gukora ibicyangwa.
This guy a pedicure?
Giye kumukorera pedicure, giye kumukorera inzara. Kigari. Hakuno.
Come on.
Gira mwana.
About this guy from the minute he got in here.
Cyayo mukinga kigera mu ndege nibwo nahise mbona ko ari ikibazo.
Dudes and that bullshit Larry the Cable Guy accent.
Winston.
Accent yakoreshaga Winston.
God, if you don't shut up.
ndarahira ku Mana ko nutaziba. Ibyo iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
Nothing, show me.
Nyereka mwana ntacyo.
Move it.
Dukeneye kumwigiza inyuma.
So you show me.
Pakunyeretse nibwo tumwigiza inyuma. Banza unyereke ibintu bonye.
Fine.
So. Nyeretse hano.
Oh. I guess someone did his homework.
Ndakeka ari umuntu wamukoreye akazi amafoto yari ayafite yabo
They got
bose.
pictures of you.
Nawe ifoto yawe dore ngiye barayifite.
Oh, they got a picture of me.
Ni yanjye ndi kubona bayifite wana.
Wait a second.
Uretse gato.
This is my mom's house.
We iyi nzu ni inzu ya mama wanjye.
Oh my God.
Mana yanjye. Wabona ba?
They can
Bambabarije ma. Wabana mwishe sinzi.
Winston,
Ngiye kumuhamagara mu buri. Winston wisara.
we can't solve anything until we get help. And we can't
Ntago twagira icyo dukora mpaka tubonye
get
ubufasha.
help until we move him into the back, okay?
Kandi ntago turi bubone ubufasha tutaramujyana inyuma uyu mugabo ngo tumwigeze mu gice cy'inyuma cy'indege, okay? Sawa rero mfasha. Mfasha. Hakuno. Bahita bamukurura bamujyana inyuma. Iyi filime witonze. Gake bucece. Hey!
Come on, really?
For him.
Oh.
Cuff his hands
Bapinga umwana. Koko nayo kumuzirika.
to that grab handle there.
Muzirike akaboko kamwe akandi ukazirike hejuru. Pinga hano umugabo. Bamukubise tiza bamutizinze.
You like being cuffed up.
Ikigoryi nawe reka tugufunge. Wumva uko bimera, wumva ukuntu Yesu agira neza.
Okay. So.
None.
Oh crap.
Listen,
Oh my God, we're so screwed.
Mwana ibintu biratuzamba.
Oh my God.
Mugabo afite ubwoba.
calm down.
Arapanika tuza ariko. Mana yanjye. Janus.
Telling me to calm down. My mom has never hurt a soul in her life. She's gonna die.
Je urashaka ntuze.
And it's gonna be my fault. You.
Oh my God, we're so screwed.
Mwana, ja tuzamba.
Hi. We are so screwed.
Ja tuzamba
Oh my
tuza mwana. Tuza ariko.
Calm down.
Janus.
You're telling me to calm down. My
Uri kumbwira ngo ntuze.
mom has never hurt a soul in her life.
Mama nta muntu n'umwe yigeze ababaza mu buzima.
She's gonna die.
Mama naramuka apfuye araba ari amakosa yanjye.
That you get
Uri kubyumva mwana? Uzi ukuntu ndi kwiyumva nyumva kigoryi.
We're gonna figure this out, okay?
Ibi
Your
turaza gushobora uburyo tubikemuramo.
mom is still alive.
Nyoko aracyari muzima humura.
Yes, I
Ntabwo biza
do. I do.
Je ndabizi.
No, Moretti has no leverage over you if she's dead, right?
Ndabizi yuko Moreta ataza kuguhiga mama wabaye yapfuye wisara rero.
So I know she's still alive.
Rero ndabizi ko akiri
So
muzima.
know that you can't change the past.
Ikindi kintu nzi nuko mama atahindura hashize
All we
hawe.
can do is choose how
Ikintu cyonyine ubu twakora ni uguhitamo
to respond in this
uburyo turi
moment.
bwitware muri aka kanya uranyumva.
So I'm gonna get on the radio and we're gonna get help
Ngiye kujya ku cyombo nsaba
for
ubufasha.
us,
Ubufasha bwanjye nawe
for your mom.
ndetse n'ubwa mama wawe.
We're gonna get you to New York so you can
Ndaza kugeza New York.
testify and put Moretti away.
Ugenda utanga ubuhamya ushinze Moreta ibintu biraba birangiye. Hari ikindi wisara. Witsaraho icara.
Where the hell are we?
Bundi turi. Bundi turebe uyu ibibazo bye ntibishira. Ukuntu umuntu aba afite ibibazo bitagira limite. Ubundi turi he? Hakuno. Debe. Filime witonze.
Let me sit up there with you.
Sibona nicaranye naye hano
I
hejuru.
can help.
Nagufasha mwana.
You really want to help?
Shaka kumfasha.
How did you know about Daryl?
Ibya kapiteni w'iyi ndege pilote yabyo iwayo wabibwiye niki? Ibi hano.
Just trying
Abonye cyandiko.
It's alive.
Ngiye nageragezaga kugira ngo tugume turi bazimanga kuri.
Thank you.
Sawa urakoze ngangwe n'imbere. N'imbere.
You piss yourself again, I'm sending you back.
That's right.
Yana niwongera kwinyarira ndakohereza
And I'm
inyuma.
empty.
Oya humura nazimaze mama empty nazimazemo mu ruhago ntazikirimo.
Is anyone receiving me?
Nta muntu uri kunyumva aracyangwa.
Can anyone hear me?
Nta muntu uri kunyumva. Hamagara ku cyombo.
Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Mayday over.
Send someone to find us,
Bagiye kohereza umuntu aze kudushaka sibyo?
right? I mean, when we don't show up.
Nyine nitutaza.
Showing up. Oh yeah.
Oya
No,
turaza kugerayo
we're
wihumura.
showing up for sure. But
Turagerayo.
if we don't,
Ariko se
they
nitutagerayo.
know our route, right?
Bazi umuhanda turi guca musi bawuzi.
Our route? There's no way he was taking us to Anchorage.
We nta muhanda utujyana muri Anchorage wa
Yeah,
muginga.
you know, I'm really starting to question his honesty. Look, there's got to be some way they could locate us, right? Like an emergency
Mwana hari uburyo bwo kuduhiga ariko bigakunda.
signal, or
Tugatanga nka sinyali iri emergency.
like a black box or something.
Winston, the radio
Cyangwa black box cyangwa ibiki indege gira akantu bita black box. Umusore yapanitse ari kuvuga ibintu atidimanga.
the
Winston.
GPS, he didn't want us to be found.
Radio GPS byose byavuyeho bisa nkaho batashaka ko tuboneka.
Can anybody read me?
Rata muri kunyumva. Iyi
Mayday.
ndege igiye gucrashinga. Umva ikigoryi.
Mayday.
Mayday.
Not. Can
Wa kigoryi ntago tugiye gucrashinga ziba.
anybody hear me?
Rata muri kunyumva cyangwa.
I'm on a plane
Ndi
and
mu
I
ndege.
need help.
Nkeneye ubufasha. Ari guhamagara wapi? Mwadufashije.
Help.
Mwadufashije. Subiramo.
Yes.
Arabumva.
Hello, can you hear me?
Muri kunyumva rata.
I can hear you.
Cyenda bumva.
Yeah, I read you. Say again.
Ndakumva subiramo.
Help. I need help.
Nkeneye ubufasha.
This is an aviation frequency.
We iki ni icyombo cy'indege. Aviation frequency. Uyu ni umurongo uhamagariraho indege.
Yes, I know.
Yego.
I'm on a plane.
Ndabizi nanjye ndi mu ndege ndabizi.
Sound like a pilot.
Ko twumva utavuga nk'umupilote.
No,
Oya.
I'm not.
Ntago ndi
My pilot,
pilote wacu.
Still there?
he's in,
Hello?
he's
You.
incapacitated.
Yahwereye namukubise ahita
Flying this plane and I
Nijye
don't
utwaye
know
indege
what I'm doing.
sinzi ibyo ndi
All
gukora.
right, I get it.
Sawa.
Hello?
Ndabyumva.
Frank put you up to this, didn't he? You're kidding, right?
What? No.
Frank niwe wakubwiye ngo ukore ibyo bintu uri kunkinisha.
Oh, I'm not kidding.
Ntago ndi kugukinisha.
Please give me some help.
Mucakira ubufasha. Okay.
Oh, shit. I'm
Sawa mbabarire nari nzi kuri kunkinisha madamu.
First things first. Did you engage your pilot?
What the fuck is he saying?
Uriya muginga ari kuvuga ibiki? Reba hano.
Yes, it's on.
Yego nayishyizeho autopilot.
Maintain your heading and keep your level.
Rero komeza ugendere ku muvuduko uriho ugendere ku butumburu ukiriho.
Off the yokes for now.
Amaboko yawe yavane kuri yokes.
Altitude. Can you see it should be a big gauge, right?
Wareba kuri screen zawe ukambwira ubutumburu ukemuriho ngo bungana gute.
You hear me?
Uri kunyumvara?
3,000 feet.
Turi muri feet 3,000.
Okay, you're
Okay.
low, but
Muracyari hasi gakeya ariko ntimubigeho ikibazo.
what's your location?
Wambwira ahantu muri location murimo murahagana.
Somewhere between Bethel and A.
Ahantu runaka hagati ya Bethel na Anchorage.
All I see is mountains.
Sinzi. Cyo ndi kubona ni imisozi gusa.
I think we may have drifted pretty far, of course, here.
Ndakeka dushobora kuba twayobyemo ukuntu.
Okay, well, I can't be too far away if I can get you.
Nimba ari ibyo ngibyo rero ndanjye ndakeka ntari kure.
Marks?
Muri kubona nk'ibimenyetso by'ahantu mwaparika cyangwa iki.
A little started. Can you say again?
I said...
Ibyo biracitse sinkumvisha wari uvuze ngo iki. Hakuno.
Damn it, come on. Hello?
Connexion ziranga. Bazicaminze. Kibazo.
Hello, can anybody hear me?
Ako muri kunyumvara cyangwa. Hey.
Wait, what did you say?
He's gonna
Was it?
call in the situation, right? The pilot guy? He's gonna call it in.
Nyine arongera guhamagara nimba ari ikibazo nka kiriya aho umurara guhamagara. Nimba ububwiye ko ushaka ubufasha kandi uri mu ndege umurara guhamagara.
Where'd you leave your brain?
Aho wa muginga ubwonko bwe babusize.
Out here?
Satellite phone.
Kubera iki? Hano mfite satellite phone, mfite phone ikorana na satellite. Ariko ubwonko bwanjye nimba mba nabutaye. Mfite phone hano.
Come on.
Gira.
Madeline?
Madeline.
Caroline.
Caroline we.
God! Oh, thank God.
Imana ishimwe nyumva mwa.
Anchorage already.
No. We're still
Anchorage ntago muragera oya. Turacyari mu kirere.
compromised.
Twaje kuvagira.
hear you, Mads. Hello? Hello?
Mwana ndi kukumva nabi yemwe network ziranga.
Hear the rest of you shut the fuck up.
Siba mwana.
Compromised. The pilot
Nari nkubwiye ngo batuvangiye.
wasn't who he says he was. He's one of
Umupilota wari udutwaye uwo yavugaga ko ari we siwe.
You think?
Ni umwe mu bagabo ba Moleti.
Wait, what?
Tekereza.
I
Kuki?
put him in a lie and he tried to knife me.
Namufasha ambeshya agerageza kuntera icyuma.
Are you hurt?
Wababaye?
I'm fine.
Oya ameze neza.
He's unconscious and restrained in the back.
Nyine yahwereye namushyize inyuma.
And the witness?
Hanyuma umutangabuhamya.
Winston, he's
Winston
fine.
ameze neza.
Never been better.
Sinigeze mera neza nka gutya ahubwo na mbere
Who's
hose.
flying the plane?
None ninde utwaye indege?
I am.
Nijye utwaye indege.
You?
Wowe.
I'm flying this plane and I don't know what I'm doing.
Nijye utwaye indege kandi sinzi ibyo ndi.
Okay.
Okay.
Just stay calm.
Sa icyo ugomba gukora ni ukubanza ugatuza.
Calm.
Genda tuje ariko.
All right, so you
Sawa.
are flying the plane and
None
just
niwe utwaye indege.
so I understand it.
Ndabyumva ko ari wowe uyitwaye.
How exactly?
Uyitwaye ute rero?
It's on autopilot.
Iri muri autopilot.
Cruising in a straight line. I think he sabotaged the navigation.
Ndakeka uyu muginga yayihinduye coordinates aho twari tugiye navigations.
See if we can track her on radar.
I need someone to
Reka
help
du tracking indege kuri
me
radar.
fly this thing.
Ndashaka umuntu uri mufasha akamfasha gutwara iki kintu.
Pilot who's gonna walk you through it. Sit tight.
Sana ari autopilot iraza kukugeza kure weba wicaye ubutuje.
Get me a fucking pilot.
Okay,
Smith wa muginga nshakira umupilot uri ku cyombo.
I'll wait for his call.
Sanda ategereza mu mpamagara.
My mom.
Hanyuma se kutabaje ibya mama wanje.
You need
Chego
to
yewe.
send some officers over to Winston's mother's house, okay?
Ndagira ngo mwohereze abasirikare kwa nyina wa Winston.
Maybe in danger.
Ashobora kuba ari mu byago.
All right, don't
Saba
worry, we're on it.
wigira ikibazo turaje kubikemura. Ndaje nabwo ndaguhamagara nitumara kubikemura nareba ndahita nguhamagara.
Find
Okay.
pilot.
Bagiye kudushakira umupilote we cya kigoryi.
Y'all need a pilot?
Mukeneye umupilote se cyakangutse do. cyari kibishabuze rimwe ritanga abiri.
Days no joke.
Tiza ko nta mikino ikigira.
Pilots, crispy.
Duhako. Umupiloto dutwe
How to
twamwishyura.
fly this thing?
Mbwira ukuntu batwara iki kintu.
No.
Wapi nabyo nkubwiye. Nabyo nkubwiye kirakangutse. Ndakeka nirumye.
Dreaming that you were nibbling on my nipple, Twiggy.
Mwana narindi kurota uri mu kundi gatimo koza amabere yanjye.
Is that just my imagination?
Byari byo cyangwa nuko nabitekerezaga na ni
Who
imagination.
told you we were moving Winston today?
Ninde ari wakubwiye ko uyu munsi tugiye kujyana mu Winston?
What?
Kubwira ikintu muko.
Why don't you come on back here with me?
Waje hano inyuma.
Tell you all about it.
Haza nkabikubwira ukaza tukabiganira.
Dog.
Je nawe tukadukina imikino yo kwishana no gushaka.
Easy now.
Oroshya sha oroshya umutwe.
Close with that thing.
Makes it hard to miss.
Shoot him now.
Uri hafi ku buryo utandase ibyo byatuma ntaguhusha rero.
Yeah?
Murase none.
Do it.
Bikore se
More
babikubwira.
than likely that bullet's gonna pass clear through me and it's
Icyo nzi cyo nuko iryo sasu riri
the
bunyuremo
wall behind me.
rikanyura muri iki gikuta kiri inyuma yanjye.
Where the fuel line or the fuel tank is.
Kandi inyuma yanjye niho hari fuel na hari benzine na tank irimo benzine. Ndakeka ibyo bintu utabikora.
Pulling it. Or it could ricochet around right into one of you fuckheads.
Cyangwa surira se isasu rikore rikosheri na kate rigaruke rikumene. Rikoshe ni kwa kuntu barasa isasu rikabouncing rikagaruka umve.
Into the wall behind me. Where the fuel line or the fuel tank is.
Aha gani hari amapompa ajyana benzine na tanka ya benzine ni haniri.
You can put a hole in it.
Shobora kurirasa nyine isasu rikanyuramo rikagenda.
Or it could ricochet around right into one
Well, it could be ricochet around cyangwa se rikarasa rigakubita rikagaruka
of you fuckheads.
rikakunyura mu mutwe. Kana abantu mwa mukazi kandi ricochet ni bakeye. Nzajya mbarabona n'utuvokabirere mutazi.
Now I know you ain't much for planes.
Ndabizi kutazi byinshi ku ndege.
You know a thing or two about how bullets work, don't you?
Ariko uzi byinshi kimwe cyangwa bibiri ku buryo imbunda n'isasu bikora. Byo urabizi sibyo?
Quite the pickle, ain't it?
Urabizi rero oroshya umutsi kandi ndabizi kubizi si ubizi. Hakuno. Ubwo yumva
Bill chuckles. You tell me how to fly this thing?
ugiye kumbwira ukuntu batwara
I
indege
go to prison in peace.
ugeze muri gereza mu mahoro. Inde.
Option B.
Icyo kitugisimuke tujye ku mahitamo ya
I'll
kabiri.
put it out there that you turned on Moretti. And you can go to prison looking over your shoulder for the rest of what'll be a very short life.
Ikindi nagukorera nuko navuga yuko wateranye Moretti nkakohereza muri gereza bakagufunga akajya naguhiga.
Well, you're mistaking me for somebody who actually gives a fuck about that.
Ese uzi kuri kunyitiranya ukanyitiranya n'umuntu wakwita ku bintu nk'ibyo ngibyo ibyo ntago mbyitayeho.
I spent every waking day in prison looking over my shoulder.
We nje namara iminsi yanjye yose muri gereza mbyuka mu gitondo nkireba nkavuge n'icyaza. None ibyo mbyita.
Twig,
Ariko byumva twigi we. Musa.
you will.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Uri kubyumva cyangwa uzabyumva? Oya ndabyumva. Ukuntu biba bigenze sinzi. Musa uri kubyumva?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Uzabyumva. Nabyumvishe nabyumva.
Really want to die out here?
Shaka gupfira hano.
Honey, you gotta land the plane first.
Uragomba kubanza
At
guparika
least
indege.
the real name.
Basi wambwiye amazina yawe ya nyayo.
You know what's the last thing to go through your head before crash landing?
Uzi ikintu cya mbere kiza mu mutwe w'umuntu yagiye kurandinga indege abona ko igiye gucrashinga?
Your ass.
Ni agatafari kawe niko kahita kakuza mu mutwe.
Doesn't care.
Mwana yanjye umuginga ntago abyitaho.
Maybe his. He doesn't care whether he lives or dies.
I care.
Mwana ntago abyitaho nimba twese dupfa.
Twiggy.
He doesn't
Byitaho mwana.
care at all.
Ntago atwitaho.
I care
Uyu ni Harris.
about you.
Hey there.
We nkwitaho.
We're gonna die.
My name
Deputy Harris.
Whether he lives or dies.
Izina ryanjye banyita Hasani.
We're all gonna die with him.
Hakuno bari kugenda batongana.
Will you shut up?
Waziba aho ngaho wowe.
I could
Baramuhamagaye.
shut up, yes, but
naziba nta kibazo.
it'll make it harder to help.
No.
Ariko nagufasha bingoye umbwiye ngo nzibe kumbe yarabwiye ikigoryi bari kumwe mu
Oh,
ndege.
no, I didn't
Yeah.
mean you.
Ntago ari we nabwiraga Hasani we.
Or if you like, Hassan. And it's all good, deputy.
Ibintu byose bimeze neza deputy we.
Sounds like things are a little tense up there.
Yeah.
Bisa nkaho hano aho hejuru mufite ikibazo ariko.
Yeah, I can say that.
Niko umuntu yabivuga.
Not to worry. We're in this together now.
Ubu muri bitubiri kumwe.
And we're going to get you sorted out.
Turaza no
You
kubikemura.
got an airspeed and altitude for me?
Wambwira ubutumburuke n'umuvuduko muri kugendera.
Yeah,
Yego.
1,000 feet.
Turi kuri feet nk'ibihumbi 3.
And airspeed is...
Umuvuduko turi kugenderaho ni
It should be just to the left.
byo urabibonera ibumoso.
Green, yellow, and red range.
Ahantu hari akarahure k'icyatsi n'umuhondo.
Got it.
Okay.
Airspeed is at 120.
Ndikona tugendera ku 120
120 at
120
3,000
utumburuke bw'ibihumbi 3 fiti
Sure. And
nabyo
what are you doing after this?
ni ibiki bindi uri gukora
Excuse me?
wiki
Myself, I haven't eaten all day.
mwana ngewe umunsi wose sinigeze ndya wewe uraza gukora iki bintu birangiza nyine baba bagomba kukuganiriza bakakumvishwa n'ubwo utazi gutwara indege nta ribi
You want to have dinner with me?
washatse uze kujya gusangira ibya nimugoroba se
Yeah, if you insist.
ubyemeye
I
twajyayo
probably focus on landing first.
ariko reka tubanze dushaka ukuntu duparika iyo ndege
Thing though seems only fair since you asked me.
kandi ndumva byaba ari sawa nabinsabye ko tuza no kujya gusangira
Fair's fair.
That is
Sawa.
verbal commitment, and I'm going to hold you to it. This day is looking up already, at least for me.
ye muri iyi minsi n'ubundi gutereta byaramvunye by'umwihariko njyewe
You ready? You're just going to ease that yoke to the left. Nice
ugiye kumanura iyo yoko
and gentle.
gakeya kandi buhoro wiki gatanu
Returning.
turi gukata okay bari gukata indege hano
I know you're anxious to meet me and all, but just keep an
ndabizi urashaka kuza guhura nanjye wanjye
eye on our
ariko banza ukomeze urebe ubutumburu ukirimo menye neza ko
Would you
indege
like
ifashe neza
me to make the reservation? You seem kind of busy.
none se nijye uri bufate reservation cyane wowe
I got this.
ntaribi ndaza kuyifata
Pull back on the yoke a little.
banza ukurura iyo yoko ho gake wiyegereze kurura yoko ni nka vora y'indege kurura yoko
I have no doubt.
tumeze neza ntabwo
There
mbishidikanya
should be a heading indicator.
ndakeka ubu hari heading indicator
First thing about the yoke,
nicyo kintu cya mbere kiri iruhande rwa yoko
It's just like-
hejuru ya yoko
the compass.
ifite agakampasi ukuntu ndi kubibona
Okay, when you hit southeast, just straighten out the plane.
noneho nukata ukabona ugeze south east mu majyepfo y'uburasirazuba uhita uyiturisha igendere mu murongo umwe bari kumuyobora we ntabwo azi gutwara indege umupilote uri kumufasha okay hakuno ebe
Done.
Stupendous.
byabaye
Now,
byiza cyane
do me a favor and engage that
noneho
pilot switch.
fasha wongere usubizemo autopilot werongera activating autopilot
Fantabulous. And you're
byiza cyane ubu noneho mumeze
up for the
neza
coastline.
ukomeze urebe kuri coastline hafi n'umwaro ku mazi
Look left and follow it south
nubona ahantu hari amazi
out to its anchor.
uhita ukata werekeza ibumoso uraba uri kujya kuri anchorage aho muri buze guparika
Practically home already.
uraba umeze nk'umuntu wageze imuhira
Thank you.
urakoze
No thanks necessary.
oya winshimira nabi nyizera
The drinks you'll be buying later will be more
icyo nzi cyo ni wowe uri buze kungurira byeri
than enough.
kandi uragura nyinshi
Is that right?
koko
Oh yeah.
akuntu umusore ari no gutereteramo njyewe nkunda kunywa byeri nka sinda
Noted.
ako nakabitse noted ako ndakabitse
To save your battery, but call this number when you spot the coastline, okay? Or if you just miss the sound of my voice. I'll be counting the moments.
hakuno nuza no kunkumbura ndaba mbibara byose ye hakuno kigoryi hano do kuntu ari kukireba cyari kibisha buze rimwe ritanga abiri ubundi wakica tukakireka
Call me when you need me.
nawe nunkenera umamagara
Just hanging around.
ndaba nkihamanitse hano wansize ndaba nkimanitse hano ndaba nkiri hano hakuno hey! ikigoryi hano kiri gushaka kwihambura kakireba gore sinzi ibyo ari kugenda agira hano tera suparadara nimba ari za suparadara nimba ari ibiki yebe hakuno hey!
How does it feel?
rata urumva bimeze bite
Treat me like you do. You lay your hands upon me.
kigenda kibaririmbira
Tell me who you are.
tell me who you are mbwira ngo urinde
Huh?
ahundi wari utegereje
Why don't you just kill us and toss us out?
ubundi kuki utatwishe kare ngo uhite utujugunya
Why
hanze
am I lonesome?
gende njyenyine muri iyi
And
ndege
every day you get a captive audience, you know.
sha umunsi wose ntago nagenda njyenyine nari nkeneye abantu tugenda tuganira nari nkeneye audience
Give me that.
windeba gutyo
I
wanjye
know people, Twig.
abantu ndabazi twige
You?
nawe kandi urabazi
Yeah, you like to watch.
si ukunda kureba se hakuno do hey
Hey!
we
It's any consolation.
ikigoryi hano
She's gonna watch too.
uyu mukobwa nawe araza kuba
Be a
bireba
real picnic.
bigiye kuba picnic ya nyayo bigiye kuba
Vinny,
wini
Vinny, come on back here.
we ngwino hano
We start over, huh?
dutangire bundi bushya sibyo
You wanna be?
shaka kuba icyubu
Be the husband or the wife, huh?
shaka bari ncyubu umugabo cyangwa uraba umugabo mbe mbunyuramo gake gake mbe mbomora.
How come you ain't sweet like your mommy?
Ngwino hano mwana ntago ryoshye nka mama wawe wenda.
Nice and sweet.
Ndabizi ko mama wawe ryoshye cyane kurushaho.
Real sweet.
Sha cyane pe.
Just like mine.
Nk'uwanjye nyine. Yarankundaga.
She just wouldn't shut up.
Ebe. Hakuno.
Winnie,
Ngwino hano Winnie.
I want to show you something.
Ngwino nkwereka akantu. Ngwino yigire.
You're gonna like it.
Ndabizi uraza kugakunda we ngwino.
You've been around the first.
Wabona atari nabwo bwa mbere
You always end up liking it.
ariko n'ubundi bikarangira ubikunze we ngwino nkwereka. Hakuno. Kingano bamuziritse. Arasama bitanga iki n'igihara kibi. Hakuno. Do. Uruharado. Yano. Kureba. Abona icyuma. Cya cyuma kari kigeze kugwa barwaniye. Arakibona ha. Bari mu misozi. Reba filime witonze.
Hey, Winnie.
We Winnie.
After I kill you, I'm gonna take the Polaroids to show your mama.
Nimara kukwica ndaza gufata iki n'iki njye kuzereka mama wawe.
How does this asshole know my mom's address?
Ndi njyegereza gutu wacu kwa mama.
You think Moretti had someone in the marshal's office?
Urakeka se Moretti hari umuntu afite umugambanyi muri ofisi yacu?
I told that address to the U.S. attorney when we were talking
Adresse za mama wanjye anatuye nazibwiye US attorney gusa attorney wanjye.
witness protection. That's it.
Kugira ngo bamuhe umutekano n'ibyo byonyine. So nimba iki kigoryi cyazi bivuze ngo umwe muri mwe niwe mwe ngambani.
No one knows that address.
Nari mbizi neza ko ntigeze nkora iryo kosa. Nari mbizi neza. Tekereza koko. Caroline we.
Okay, so we're coordinating with the military to get
Turi kuvugana n'igisirikare.
search and rescue up. It shouldn't
Ngo
be.
baze bashaka ukuntu bapanga gahunda yo kuza kubashaka bakabasubiza bakabajyana umwaka w'umuparika. Ndakeka mutari no.
I'm told you're a little small and low for radar, particularly with all the mountains. So
bambwiye ngo uri kugenda ku muvuduko uringaniye ari kuri hasi mu butumburuke kandi uri mu
trying
misozi.
to scramble some fighter jets, get some extra eyeballs out
Rero
there.
nari ngiye kugerageza ngo nohereze izindi ndege za gisirikare zize zigucunge zikurinde.
Okay.
Okay.
We're headed for the coast, so
Turi
maybe
kwerekeza hafi
have
n'umwaro.
them sweep that first.
Ndakeka dushobora kugeraho mbere yazo.
Look, there's something else.
Hari ikindi kintu nashaka kukubwira mwana.
PD just found what's left of Daryl Booth in his apartment.
Aho iyo ndege mwayivanye bahabonye umurambo wa Daryl Booth muri apartment iwe muri aparitoma ye aho yabaga. Cya gipilote cyamwe.
No teeth.
Nta maso afite nta menyo n'intoki baziciye.
Sounds like someone really took their time with him.
Bisa nkaho hari umuntu wafashe igihe cye kandi igihe kinini bari kumwe ari kumubabaza. Dore ikigoryi cyabikoze bari kukibona da. Ukuntu cyajebetse ibinwa cyabigeze.
Someone talked. Who knew about this op?
Hari umuntu watuvuyemo ninde wari uzi operation wundi.
I mean, we had to notify local law enforcement.
Twagombaga kubibwira abantu bakorera aho ngaho nyine.
Plan with the FAA, alert the TSA, and
They knew we were
FFA,
someone,
TTA.
but they didn't know who, right? I mean, who
Bari bazi ko tugiye kujyana umuntu ariko ntibari bazi ngo ninde.
actually knew about Winston?
Ninde wari uzi ko ari Winston tugiye kujyana wowe niwe nshaka kumenya.
Well, the U.S. attorney,
Ni US attorney,
director, obviously,
na director,
the AG, the deputy
deputy AG. Urakoze. We ntabyo wari uzi.
Of course, but there's no telling who else may have accessed that information.
Nyine nanjye nari mbizi ariko se hari undi wigeze umbaza nyine.
Do you see that?
Ako kari akantu urakabonye.
What the hell is that?
Biriya ni ibiki ndi kubona binjira mu gihe ukiremereye. Ndaje ngo uhamagare mwana.
We're not gonna make that. You gotta pull up.
Mwana ntabwo turi buze kurokoka zamura indege hejuru binjira mu misozi. Binjira mu misozi dore iki. Dore umusozi imbere yabo cececece. Zamura ibyo zamura. Zamura indege birangaga kuzamuka. Genda kubabwira ko ibintu ari sawa. We harimo autopilot. Hey pfunza zamura indege sinzi ariko. Cyuma kigaruka inyuma. Cyuma kiza kuri wa mugabo ha. Aragifata. Zamura indege sinzi ariko ibyo zamura. We. Hani indege. Senuka. Cha mu musozi hagati sekuru rubura. Sekuru rubura. Ica mu rubura. Irucamo. Rubura rwo ntago ruba rukomeye cyane ku buryo nyine ishobora gucamo ntinacemo n'amahirwe abangana. ariko iyo baza kugunga nk'umusozi cyayitakamo gake cyane buriya ni urubura rwari rwarakavarinze umusozi rwarawupfundikiye rwarawubundikira iyo biza kuba nk'umusozi cyayitaka kigabana icyuma kiragifata yambaye icyuma mbere akantu mufite amakeke yari icyuma mbere igura ngaho ko numviriye nkweto nshaka kujya nyambara we ya danje ariko umuntu uzicuruza ze kunyandikira turebe wagwanya za danje numva nshaka kwambara nk'aba engineer nongere nkuze kariyeri nari imaze igihe ariko no biranga abafundi nanjye nigana aba engineer igifundi ntago nagisaziramo.
How fun was that, huh?
Byari bishimishije
I don't know about you, but I just made a Jackson Pollock in my pants.
Avuga ikijambo ntari buvuge igihe byo nakoreye mu ipantaro yanjye. Winnie.
You make a poop?
Wijugunya noneho yamwise ngo Winston.
See guys, it's like the Museum of Modern Arts back here.
Bisa nk'aho wagira ngo haba mize z'urubura. Madeline we, Mada.
I'm sure glad you didn't kill Winston while he was in your custody.
Shanda ndakeka uri kunshimira ko ntigeze nica uwo musore Winston mu gihe ukimutwaye.
I'd hate for you to have to go through that shit again.
Nago nari kumva ko byizongeye ukanyura mu bibazo nk'ibyo ngibyo. Iki? Erikanga Winston. Yongeye.
What is he talking about?
Uriya mukinga ari kuvuga ibiki?
Just ignore him.
We mwirengagize mureke.
What dumb fuck put you back in the saddle again, huh?
Kiri gutushwana hano kivuga ibintu.
What is he mean?
Ase ari kuvuga ibiki wambwiye?
Twig. That ain't the one you should be worried about.
Ntago ari we wakabaye ntago ari cyo wakabaye uhangayikira mwana.
He's talking about.
Uriya mukinga ibyo avuga ntabyo.
Biggie, I know she killed the last prisoner.
Rata ngenda bizo uwo mugore ubushize yishe imfungwa ye. Yarayishe. Iki?
Oh no.
Oya.
What?
Oh shit.
Iki?
Oh hell.
Oya mwana. Askiwe.
Must be a secret?
Harya byari kuguma ari ibangu yararakara. Fayo kikorjiwe.
Darling, what's the matter? No more for.
Kibazo cy'isuite.
How do you know that?
Ubizi ute? Ko nishe imfungwa yanjye. Ubizi ute? Wadaje we. Banza kivanamo amaryo.
You know that.
Ubizi ute?
Sure ain't it?
Nukuri ariko. Kuri ryinyo. Kuri sara bwayo. Nakuri rindi sara bwayo umuntu agira amenyo bita amasara sorry amabwene. Kuri bwene.
Get it?
Ndabyumva
Me too, baby.
You don't know.
Nanjye nigeze kwisanga ahantu nkangare. Sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga. Ngenda bizi.
Yourself you different.
Ushobora kwibwira kutandukanye. Ariko nje nawe tumeze kimwe.
Fuck you.
Kijeho. Fuck you.
We'll get there.
Nabyo tuzabigera. We'll get there. Nabyo tuzabigeraho.
Hell, come on.
Mvari kumbari.
You use my safe word yet?
Nari narakoresha ijambo nari nibikiye.
Yeah. It's burned alive.
Urabizi ko bamutwitse ari muzima. Si ubizi se?
Face.
Uracyabona isura ye? Isura y'uriya mugore. Iyo ufunze amaso yawe. You do. Urayibona. Si uyibona si isura y'uriya mugore. Yararakara. Kire kiguryi nkici.
I bet you still hear her scream, don't you?
Ndakeka uracari kumva gutakamba kwasakuza. Ari mapfira mu buribwe. Ndabizi uri kubyumva. Cyawe. Kura menyo. Kura. Menyo. Kigoryi. Ari nkumubiye nk'ibi kiramufata kimunigana ifuro. Yerekera hari uri kungora. Yewe. Kuri ryinyo. Kigoryi. Iwe biti kiremve.
I hope Moretti does come for you.
Mani mfashe Moleti ntazaze kuguhiga. Ebe. Hakuno. Hakuno. Filime witonze. Gake ucece mu gace kumbe Rinete cyazimutwaye. Cyamutwaye Rinete cyazitsindiye. Kigabo kirabanza Rinete kizica akaguru kamwe. Harya buriya amatara taranayagira akaguru.
Okay. Ready?
Two years ago.
Raza kumbwira ni witegura imyaka ibiri.
This young woman,
Hari
Maria.
umugore twigeze gufata mutoya bitaga Maria.
She'd been on the run for weeks.
Yari amaze ibyumweru yirukanga.
And the DA convinced her to turn against her boyfriend.
DEA imwemerera District Attorney amwemerera yuko bashobora kumworohereza ibyaramutse atanze boyfriend we.
Tell boss.
Kubera ko boyfriend we yari boss w'abakariteri ni byebe.
Hold up in the shitty motel until
twaze kumufata tujya mu kantu k'akamoteri.
Testify.
Tugumayo kugeza igihe umukobwa ngazumva ko yashobora ari ready yo kuba yatanga ubuhamya ashinza boyfriend we.
We've been in the room for 3 straight days and
twamaze iminsi 3 ikurikirana turi mu cyumba.
She wanted to take a shower. Unsupervised.
Arangije aratubwira ati nshaka gukaraba kandi nta muntu ncunga.
Privacy.
Yaravuze ati nshaka akanya ko kuba ndi jyenyine nyine.
It's protocol.
Nyine ntago byemeye n'amategeko.
But I let her.
Ariko naramuretse.
Shackled her to the tub and stepped outside.
Naramuretse yinjira muri douche nge mpagarara hanze y'umuryango.
A Sicario smashed a Molotov cocktail through the window.
Nibwo ibigoryi byaje bigendera kuri moto bijugunye icupa ryuzuyemo cocktail riri baziritseho umuriro bicisha mu idirishya kuri moto.
I turned back.
Ubwo nagarukaga.
Heat and smoke and flames and
nasanze umwotsi umuriro byose byuzuye muri icyo cyumba yari yahiriyemo. Namwe muri kubyumva muri bakurereka. Ndangije ndiruka.
Maria with the shackles, she.
Ariko Maria ari kugurumana ari gushya.
She.
Uranuko abivuga. Sikubona umuntu uri gupfa ariko. Njye baze ko imyaka ngize yingiye. 40 n'ingahe.
Put you on a desk.
Barangije bakujyana gukorera muri office. Inze ngana gutya ntarabona umuntu wapfuye byanyabyo.
Me in the field again.
Barambwiye ngo ntago bakinyizera ko banyohereza kuri tele kujya gukorera kuri tele kugera uyu munsi.
With me.
Kugera uyu munsi uje kuntwara, sibyo? Yego. Hey, kigabo hakuno kiri guca mugozi bakiziritseho. Kirimo kirawuca.
How you doing up there?
Meze bite mwana? Caroline.
The leak isn't from the attorney's office or the FBI.
Amakuru yagiye hanze ntago yaturutse muri office ya District Attorney cyangwa se muri FBI ya.
Caroline.
Yaturutse muri twebwe Caroline.
The Marshals.
Muri ba Marshals nitwe turi kwisi nicinga.
Great. How did you get to that?
Ibyo bibwiye niki?
Our pilot friend knows my work history.
Nimba umupilote wacu hano, uyu mupilote wari udutwaye za makuru yanjye n'akazi nakoze kera. Bivuze ngo umuntu dukorana niwe wansi nicinga.
Personal work history.
Akazi kanje je nikore. Buretse.
Everyone out.
Mwese musohoke nkeneye akanya.
We need to bring the director in on this. Yes, absolutely.
Ibi bintu tugiye kubivangamo direct.
As soon as we get you down. Well, how about now? Look, the
situation
is fluid at best. We need
to
get you safely on the ground.
Ikintu cyambere dukeneye nuko kugeza hasi ku butaka.
Into the hands of my team. Your team.
Kugeza mu biganza bya timu yanjye, timu yawe.
Yes, you trust them. I vetted them myself.
Je ninjye wabiyubakiye twarakoranye.
Did, huh?
Koko.
What does Coleridge think? Why?
Coleridge ari kubitekereza iki?
This is my operation.
We, you know operation yanjye Coleridge sarayizamo mu.
You don't trust the director?
Nago wizera director wacu.
Hey, I did not say that.
Ntago ariko mvuze.
Saying that if the leak is in our office.
Ariko nari mvuze nti nimba makuru atuvamo ava muri office yacu. Need
to be careful.
Dukeneye kwirinda rero. Umenye ngo ninde utanga amakuru, ntago twamenye ngo ninde twizera na director wacu, boss wacu wasanga ari.
Get into this, okay? Focus on getting that plane down safely.
Yewe ikibazo mfite nuko ndegeragera hasi ibindi nyuma.
Okay?
Bimeze neza ariko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Go. Hassan's calling.
Hassan arampamagaye buretse nze mvugisha. Kandi Hassan ntaga muhamagaye. Hassan ni wa wundi wahari mu park indege. Kigabo hano kiri guca isheni.
Hey. Going up there.
Aho hejuru bimeze bite?
Great, huh?
Ntago ari sawa, Kiri kubaga.
Let me know.
Mushaka tubiganire uhita umenyesha tubiganire. Cyangwa ugaruka hano inyuma tube tunegosiya ngo ino nsure nginagire. Nagire. Kigurya hano. Shira gutya.
US Marshal's office?
Ahamagara muri US Marshal's office.
This is Deputy Harris.
Uyu ni Deputy Harris.
To put me through the director.
Ndagira ngo mpamagarire director none igitarga. Sasa umugore yahise ahamagara director aho kugira ngo ahamagare wa mugore wundi bakorana yahise ahamagara director wabo.
Tell him it's Deputy Madeline Harris.
Mubwire ko ari Deputy Madeline Harrison umushaka kandi byihutirwa. Nona.
Director Coleridge isn't here today, man.
ko uyu munsi atakoze.
I can put you through to your supervisory deputy or
wenda telefone yawe nayohereza kwa supervisor wawe cyangwa kwa deputy.
No.
cyangwa mu yindi department. Umva neza witonze.
Talk to him
right
now.
Nshaka kuvugana nawe.
People will die if you don't get him on the line.
Ase wa mugore we ntabwo byumva. Nutamuzana ku murongo director ngo tuvugana abantu bashobora gupfa.
Let me see what I can do.
Sana hari bireka ndebe icyo nakora.
Thank you.
Urakoze. Ahamagaye undi ariko ni ahamagara wa undi bari kuvugana kuvana kare. Kigabo hano kiri gucisha. Winston we.
Talk to your mother lately?
Weruka kuvugana na nyoko.
She's a sweet lady.
Mwirengagiza uriya mukingo. Nyoko kari mwiza ra.
Hope she put her dentures back in.
Cyo kigoryi hakuno. Aracyatwaye akadeki. Kira phone irasona. Janine we.
Yes, ma'am. I managed to get a hold
Yego mabusha.
Director Coleridge.
Nagerageje gufatisha telefone ya Director Coleridge.
Patch you through to his beach house, okay?
Giye guhita nkugeza aha kuri telefone yiwe ahantu ari kuko naga ari mu kazi yari yasohotse ari ku kazu ke kari ku mucanga.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Santari burakoze mfasha. Kanya gato.
Coleridge here.
Coleridge niwe muvugana.
Sir, this is
Yakuba.
Harris.
Uyu ni Harris.
Been brief, deputy. Where's Van Sant?
Bambwiye. Van Sant ari he?
Sir,
Yakuba.
there's a leak.
Dufite umuntu uri kudutangira amakuru. Dufite umugambanyi.
He has a mole in the marshal's office.
Nyine mu magambo make mo leta afite umuntu uri kumuha amakuru kandi ari kuva muri office yacu.
And I believe that it's Deputy Van Sant, sir.
Ahubwo ndakeka ni Deputy Van Sant uri kudusinikinga.
Hello?
She went out on for you, Harris.
I know.
Harris we nawe mwakoranye byinshi ndabizi.
I'm aware of that.
Ndabizi kabisa.
I believe that given my prior history, she expected me to fail again.
Ndakeka nyuma yuko azi uburyo nakozemo akazi ka kera yari azi ko ndi bwongere gutsindwa.
Van Sant, she's in New York, right?
We Van Sant muri New York. Sibyo?
That is correct.
Niko kuri.
Okay, let me make some calls.
Ntari bireka ngira abantu mama.
He has a team waiting for us.
Afite team idutegereje icyo nicyo kibazo.
She needs to be contained.
Mugomba guhitamo umuhagarika. Uranyumva kandi niwe wari uri kumufasha ahamagaye boss. Sabo. Ndaje nze muhite mubanira ku bintu byose. Jenze yanjye muri Sancti. Deputy we.
I will. Thank you, sir.
Yego urakoze nyakubaho. Urakoze. Muri Sancti.
You see it? I see the...
Reba hariya mwana dora amazi ngariya hamwe batubwiye. Hakuno barahabona.
Come on.
Yitamagara telefone nanone.
Hassan,
we. Tutangiye kubona umwaro mwana h'amazi ku nkombe z'amazi. Kiza cyane kikirishimwe.
Well, we aim to please.
Okay, so you're going to bank left, nice and easy.
Ubwo none ugiye gukata ibumoso gace kandi neza. Ukomeze ugendere ku nkengero ku mwaro w'amazi ku nkengero z'amazi. Hanyuma hakuno. Sawa. Hakuno.
Dude, Bendis, now be honest. Is that landscape not just stunningly beautiful?
Nta hantu uri kubona heza cyangwa se ubutaka cyangwa iki? Ubundi musigaranyemo benzine ingana gute?
Fuels at 25 gallons.
Ikona dusigaranyemo nk'amagaro 25.
Okay. All right.
Hari ikibazo cyangwa? Kigabano kiri guca imigozi. Bariya baho bagiye kiri guca imigozi. Hasani we.
Sorry,
umbabarira ariko.
You said 25 gallons on both tanks?
Harya warumbwe ngo ni nk'amagaloni 25 muri tanka zombi. Siyo ndege. Hari ikibazo kibirimo?
No, not a problem. Just a data point.
Ntago ari ikibazo, nta kibazo kibirimo.
This is good news, deputy.
Ayo ni amakuru meza deputy.
Have you on the ground in no time. Now turn that
Kanya kariko kose mugiye guparika.
Autopilot on.
Ongera usubizemo autopilot. Ubundi utwara indege utuje. Asubira zamo autopilot. Ukomeze umpa amakuru cyane rwose. Ndi hano igihe cyose uri bunkenerere ndi hano. Gore tekerejeho iki kundeba gutyo sikigari we iki nyine sikiwe
That's you told Daryl about.
cy'amafaranga wabwiye Daryl ngo wajyaga wishyura.
You heard that? I was bluffing. I swear to God, I would never sell you out like that.
Mwana humura ntago nakugambanira.
It's not in me.
No, Winston.
Winston,
you were paying some guy 25 grand a month.
Wari wambwiye ngo wishyuraga 25,000 by'amadolari buri kwezi.
See it was going.
Hari cyangwa ayo mafaranga yawe wayoherezaga hehe?
Sankity.
Muri Sankati. Kandi boss wabo bamaze kuvugana director nawe ari muri Sankati.
Sure.
Urabizi neza?
I thought those payoffs were untraceable.
Nari nzi kutayakurikirana ngo uyabona aho baba yayohereje.
Well, the accounts are. Sure.
Ariko konte z'umuntu yazikurikirana.
A couple years ago, I was down in Florida when Hurricane Michael hit.
Ariko nyuma baje kumbwira ngo nje nyohereza muri Florida ubwo hateraga umuyaga n'iki byose.
It was no big deal except greedy idiots
sibye ikigoryi kimwe cyikunda
transfer request from a
cyajyaga kinyoreza transfer request
IP address in Sanctity mess.
ziturutse kuri IP address transfer request ni kwa kundi umuntu nyine akurequestinga ngo umwishyure ukaza ukomfirima amafaranga akagenda cyabaga kiri muri Sanctity azamashashisete kimuka hirya no hino.
Holy shit.
Kigali we gore yarumiwe hikanze sinzi to gira telefone.
He's the leak.
Coglidge boss ni uri kudutanga mwana.
You got to get out of the office.
Soka muri office nona hanona.
There's no time.
Genda genda.
Coleridge,
Winston
Asabwira ibya Coglidge boss.
handled his payoffs.
Oh.
Ibaze ko Winston ari nawe wamwishyuraga nyuma mwana.
I called him.
Namuhamagaye. Nyuma.
I should have trusted you.
Umbabare nari kuba nakwize mwana.
What did you tell him?
Wamubwiye ibiki rero?
That there's a leak.
Namubwiye ko hari umuntu uri kudutangira
That I thought.
kandi natekereje ko
Just say it.
ibivuge mwana.
That I thought it was you.
Natekereje ko ari wowe. Wari watekereje ko ari njye mwana. Mbabarire mwana.
You got to get out.
Soka aho ngaho none habigishyushye kuko agiye kuza kuguhiga. Sawa.
Focus on landing that plane safely.
Wewe banza umenye ko iyo ndege muyiparika neza ibindi ndaza kubikemura.
You know I love you.
Urabizi ko ngukunda mwana.
But thanks a lot, bitch.
Ariko urakoze wa bitch. Ni inshuti nyine. Akon. Do. Yavumbe kari boss wabo bagambanira nyuma. Yamaze kumuha amakuru dore indege iri hejuru y'amazi do. Cyabyita umwaro babyita ikinkombe z'amazi. Yap. Inkombe. Babyita inkombe iki?
Do you see that?
Kiriya kintu wakibonye mwana?
What is that?
Kiriya ni igiki?
Yeah, I see it.
Ndi kukibona. Hakuno.
Son.
Hasani we.
Deputy, how can I help?
Ndakumva gufasha gute deputy?
We see something.
Hari ikintu tubonye? Ikintu tubonye?
Like a boat.
Kimeze nk'ubwato. Ubwato. Ubwato ariko bwangiritse.
We can work with that. Can you see a name on it?
Uri kubona izina riri kuri ubwo bwato? Izina riri.
Gotta get me closer.
Okay, we're too high.
Turi hejuru mwana. Samumanukeho gatoya. Gatogere nk'eshanu. Mugende nko muri feet 1000. Okay? Hakuno. Wamunura indege hasi.
Just a little bit closer.
Komeza wijira imbere gatoya. Uri kubona izina mwana?
Okay, it says.
Uri kubona n'ubwato bwapfuye buri hano.
Dancer?
Uri kubona ngo nimba ari fat dancer.
Fat dancer.
The fat dancer.
Mubyinnyi ubyibushye fat dancer.
He took my glasses. I don't know.
Mwana yanyambuye rinete zanjye ntabwo ndi kureba.
Odd name for a boat.
Ni iriya zina riri kuri ubwo bwato?
Fair dancer.
Rata ni fair dancer, fair dancer.
That makes
The fair dancer.
a lot more sense.
The fair dancer.
Nabyo byumvise.
Got it, okay.
Okay.
We're running it past the Coast Guard now.
Okay.
Ubu noneho mutangiye kurenga kuri Coast Guard. Dore ubwato bavugagaho buri do. Ubu cyato kinini. Cyato kinini dore akadege. Ebe fair dancer. Cyo zina ry'ubwato.
You know, I'm something of a fair dancer myself.
Nanjye hari igihe mba numva nzi kubyina.
I have no doubt.
Ntago nabishidikanya.
Let's boogie. Because the Coast Guard ID'd the wreck. We've got a pretty good fix on your locations.
Mwana nimba ubwato mumbwiye ari bwo koko twamaze kumenya ahantu muri, okay?
See us.
Batubonye mwana. Wana! Subona. Kigabo hakuno do.
Thank God.
Mwana.
A roller coaster ride. Okay.
Okay.
Guess we gotta land at some point.
Like a
Ndakeka tugiye guparika.
Now, if you'd be so kind as to turn left to heading 120.
Rero dufashije kati ibumoso byibura nka dogere 120.
Okay.
Hasigaye iminota nka 30. Sawa.
20.
Here we come.
Stellar. Hold that heading. I'll call back in 10 minutes or so.
Tongera ngo hamagare mu minota 10. Tuvuge ukuntu ugiye guparika n'uburyo turi buze gusangira ibya nimugoroba. Nakoze ra. Mwana.
Get out of it!
Chawe! Chiraho! Chigaba kumbe cyambe cyaje gitera icyuma. We.
Tension.
We tuzari.
That's the good part.
Aha ni ho biryohera kigabo. Wigeze ubona isura y'umuntu ihindura ibara.
No.
Uretse vana mu nzira iyo mbunda boretse yizana inyigufasha.
No, let me get that for you.
Mwana musa. Chawe! Vana micyuma tera hambi.
Yeah, I think I caught a rib there. Maybe
Ndakeka nkubise urubavu.
spleen too.
Sibyo?
Don't worry, you don't need a spleen.
Wigira ikibazo. Ntago nangije urugingo.
Name, huh? Come on, give you 3 guesses.
Fumboza mwana.
No, that's not a name. Come on, guess again.
Ongera ufumboza. Hakuno.
No, that's not a name.
Iryo ntabwo ari izina.
One more try.
Kiye kugwa ndi mahirwe amwe. Kimuniga ni pfuru umugore kiramuniga hano urapfa. Hey, nawe bamuteye icyuma. Hey, bagura urugoryi hakuno. Vanayo. Fire. Sasu mu ndege. Javanayo cha flare. Boko! Kigoryi aragitwika aragitwika frame yaka fata fire extinguisher kizimya mwoto mu ndege za kuno boko mu gahanga uruhara ararumena arangije arakizimya abarimo foam hano afunguraho gakeya ntago bari mu kirere cyo hejuru umwotsi bizi foam bibanze bishire mu ndege hakuno dore akadege ko kaciye mu kirere kaka wayo ni gasura myotsi hakuno ikigabo cyari kibisha ariko musore kiramuhaye
No one cares what your fucking name is.
nta witeka uruzina rwe wangegerawe mbese ukeneye kumenya izina ryawe cyamukubitaga kimubwira ngo fomboza izina ryanjye.
Alright, let me see.
Reka ndebe mwana ujya reka ndebe ariko nakuno
Okay.
Gasani ebyano
Okay, it's fine.
bimeze samwa oya ntago bimeze samwa uraza kumera neza ya wimbesha
Pressure on it, okay?
wimbesha
Alright.
sawa
Put one of these on.
shira gutyo
Sorry. And another one here.
hangane mwana fata kandi hano. Okay.
There's morphine. You want morphine?
No, I'm scared of needles.
Guhereze morphine, ngutere morphine oya ndinyi nshinge. Morphine.
Yes, fuck it, do it.
Sana ari bipfa kubikora, pfa kubikora. Hey, je kumutera za morphine abaganga mamuzi byo zikora nge simbizi. Hako morphine si ibintu by'ibinya nibiki. Ndi gupfa mwana, sindi gupfa. Oya.
I am.
Wimbesha mwana. Ndi gupfa. Ntago uri gupfa.
Listen to me.
Wimbesha mwana, nyumva.
Listen to me, you're not dying.
Ntago uri gupfa.
I'm gonna get you out of this, okay?
Ndaza kukuvana muri ibi.
Just gotta breathe.
We humeka.
All right?
Sibyo. Muterano cha morphine bimugabanyiriza ububabare. Ndebe. Akuno.
Oh, baby.
Hana ndikumva.
Oh. Wait. All right. Keep pressure on.
Kize gutya. Sinzi.
Thank you, by the way.
Nakoze mwana hagati. Nkoze ibiki se harya?
You killed me.
Uriyo mugabo yari kunyica utanabara.
You shoot him when you had the chance.
Nakubwiye ngo umurasa ugifite amahirwe ariko. Nabikubwiye.
Pressure on.
Sakomeza ufateho mwana. Komeza ufatire icyo gikomere. Maraso abaretse kuva ari menshi. Yego. Hakuno. Urebe. Gore hano ategetswe kugeza uyu mugabo. Aha mugeze uyu mugabo akazatanga uwamye ashinze umugabo bita Moleti. Sinzi nimba ari bumugeze nimba atari bumugeze ikigabo bonje baragifunga do. Hey! Cyarongeye kirakanguka bundi bushya do. Dore uruhara do. Oya ni ihene yica umukingo.
How are you doing up there?
Aho bimeze bite?
Listen, Winston's been stabbed.
Winston bamuteye icyuma.
I'm sorry?
Mumbabari.
Pilot,
Nidakimuteye.
Booth.
Umupilote Booth.
His name is
Sinzi n'uruzina rwe.
Stabbed him.
Oh my god.
Nyagasani.
And I shot him with a flare.
Ndangije ndamurasa flare. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Copy.
Ndakumva ni Hasani uri bumwakira aho bagiye guparika.
Still there?
Rachari mwana.
Yeah, I'm here.
Ndahari.
I couldn't reach Deputy Van Sant.
Deputy Van Sant sindi kumubona.
What is the status of the witness?
Ubundi umutanga buhamya wameze ate? Ameze nabi.
Dyer.
Sha arenda gupfa. Sanda byumva.
Listen, we're gonna need some real medical attention here.
Nakubeshya hano tugiye gukenera ubuvuzi. Sawa.
Tarmac EMS is on standby.
Ngiye kubwira timu y'abaganga ihite iryamira amajanja.
How far away are we?
Turi kureba ingana iki?
18 to 20 minutes out.
Iminota nka 18 kuri 20 muri amuhageze. Nta kindi kintu cyatuma twihuta.
Hassan.
Okay.
Hassan we. Okay.
We can increase your speed.
Twakongera umuvuduko muri kugenderaho. Ariko umenye yuko benzine mwari musigaranye mu ndege irahita igenda ari nyinshi. Andi mahitamo dusigaranye.
I need you to understand.
Ndakira ngo ubyumve. Nyumva mwana.
Winston doesn't testify Coleridge walks, Moretti walks.
Understand. Let's stop your fuel.
We have a choice.
Deputy, I need you to understand.
Ndakira ngo ubyumve mwana. Upfa mwana.
If Winston doesn't testify, Coleridge walks.
Winston nataza ngo aze gushinza ibikorwa bya Coleridge ndetse n'ibya Mollett. Ndabyumva.
I'm not losing him, all right?
Ntago ari buze gupoya. Sawa.
Okay. Open up the red handle marked fuel mix.
Santari bizamura icyo kintu cy'umutuku kiraho kivanga benzine.
All the way in.
Zamura ibyo zamura. Ndabona tugeze ku 160. Sawa, komeza ucunge.
Few minutes with the landing procedure.
Ndaje kubahamagara mu minota mike cyane, ndaje mbahamagare mwe mubanguke.
Right, Winston.
Za Winston.
Hang in there.
Komeza ihangane mwana. Hang in there.
Not long now.
Ntago hasigaye igihe kinini. Hakuno. Hey! Rebe. Winston hano.
Winston, how you doing?
Winston umeze ute? Tangiye gucika intege.
In general?
Umbajije muri rusange se bimwe ubaza umuntu gahita gusubiza ati meze sawa cyangwa umbajije ku giti cyanjye? Rebe. Hakuno. Umuhambuye. Ameze nabi.
You're in trouble now.
Mwana buri mu bibazo. Ameze nabi. Sinzi ariko. Hangane mwana, hangane kabisa. Ebe.
I'm sorry.
Babarire mwana.
This is my fault.
Byose ni amakosa yanjye.
This is all my fault.
Byose ni amakosa yanjye.
That's the morphine talking.
We, iyo ni morphine iri kuvuga, uri hayi kabisa.
I could have done anything.
Ntago nakabaye narakoze ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose.
Guys, like in school, I could have.
Ntago bari abajinga nakabaye narabakoreye biriya byihebe. Rebe.
I could have gone to college.
Nakabaye naragiye kwigira muri kaminuza.
I could have got a good job.
Ashaka akazi keza.
I wanted it easy.
Ariko nje nashakaga ibyoroshye kandi buriya.
What is going on?
Ibishyushye byotsa amatama.
About Moretti.
Narinzi ibyo Moretti arimo.
I'd say it's not me.
Nkajya mvuga ini cyane ko atari njye ari kubikorera.
Guy. Moving numbers around.
Nkajya mvuga ini ngendo umusore uhinduranya imibare nimura imibare nyine ntransfer amafaranga.
Fucking basement.
Nice ku kimashini kiri ahantu muri basement.
But I knew what was happening.
Ariko ibyari biri kuba ndabizi.
I'm so fucking sorry.
Mbabarire mwana. Nyine.
The paper. It had our names on it. You know what the address is? That's my mom's address.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Je ntubigire ikibazo mwana.
To that address, go see her for me.
Basi wamfasha.
Me?
Yeah, just go see her. Had our names on it. You know what the address is?
Kuri cya gipapuro hariho amazina ya mama wanje, address n'iki byose.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Wigira ikibazo mwana.
To that address, go see her.
Basi nitumara guparika haza kujya kundebera mama cyangwa.
Me?
Jewe. Just go see her, please.
Ndakwingiza uze kujya kumureba. Sibyo?
Something, you know.
Mubwire ibyo nakoze.
It was good. Just tell her I did something good.
Byibura umubwire ko ari n'ibintu byiza nakoze apana bibi gusa.
Make some shit up, whatever.
Hakuno. Meze nabi.
It would mean a lot to her.
Byaba bisobanuye byinshi kuri mama wanje mwana. Washobora kutarukuka rumva meze nabi. Uza amaraso menshi. Sawa?
Alright, I'll tell her.
Sandaza kumubwira naribi. Okay? Naribi. Hakuno. Kigabo kiramwishe. Hey!
I did the right thing.
Nakoze ikintu cyanya cyo kwemera ko ndi bushinze Mollett mwana. Hakuno. Rebe. Sinzi ariko. Rihanna.
U.S. Marshals?
Janine, it's Madeline.
Uyu Madeline.
I need you to put me through to Caroline Van Sant.
Ndagira ngo mpamagarire Caroline Van Sant. Wa mugore yabwiye karati ndashutswe mani ndishutse ndakuraburiza kuri boss mvuga ngo niwe mugambanyi.
Yes, one moment.
Buretse akanya gatoya.
Harris.
Uyu ni Coleridge muvugana. Cya kigambanyi cya boss. Coleridge.
I'll take it from here, Janine. Thank you.
Janine we ngiye guhera hano buretse ibindi byivugane n'uwo mukobwa urakoze.
I'm afraid it looks like you were right about Deputy.
Mwana mfite ubwako ibyo wambwiraga ari ukuri. Umbwira kuri Deputy Vincent Madeline.
There was a car crash and she was T-boned leaving the
yakoze impanuka ari gusohoka muri ofisi ye Nyagasani. Madeline we.
She's dead.
Yapfuye. Nyagasani yarikanze. Ikanze.
I'm so very sorry.
Babarire mwana. Sikigari we.
Well, I know the other driver fled and
ikibabaje umushoferi wundi wamugonze yahise agenda. Ndakeka n'umwe mu bashoferi ba Moleto. Nikwerekeza ko kuri kujyayo yego.
They must have been waiting or I don't know.
Wabona bantegereje cyangwa iki?
Whatever I could do, however I can help, please.
Icyo nakora icyo ari cyo cyose cyo nagufasha.
The two of you are very close.
Nari mbizi ko we nawe muri inshuti cyane.
What do you say?
You got this.
None menye impamvu yoboye.
It's all wrapped up, haven't you?
Ibi byose niwe wabyangije.
Figure it out.
Uzi ukuntu ibintu byangiza ukaza kubikemura.
I know it was you.
Nari mbizi ko ari wowe.
Sure where you're going with this, Madeline?
Sinzi ibyo uri kujyamo. Ibihumbi 25 bya buri kwezi. Genda urebe neza ari kode z'amafaranga wakira wanjegera we.
You want to compare records, Deputy Harris? No one is going to believe a word you say.
Ese ibintu uri kuvuga ubundi urumva ari nde wakwizera gita kinamwerurira.
A jury will.
Careful, Harris.
Alice witonde. Jenny tonde wakigoryo. Uramwicishije.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Careful.
Ngo nitonde. Nyuka mwana.
Fucking careful.
Ngo nitonde.
Deputy. To me, goddammit.
Vugisha.
Calm down, Harris.
Harris tuzi.
My pilot's calling. Fuck you.
Umupiloto wanje aramamagaye kijyo. Tubonanire New York ndakwica. Ndakwica. Hasani we.
Two we've got on radar.
Ndakeka nimwe tubonye kuri radar. Imana ishimwe.
Miles out and looking good.
Usigaje nk'amayero 11 byiza cyane.
Do me a favor. Hang up.
Gira kantu mfasha mwana.
Put your headphones on and do
ambara ekuteri zawe. Radio ishyire kuri frequency y'121 n'ibice 5. Okay? Shyira ku 121 n'ibice 5. Shyiramo ekuteri. Hakuno.
Okay.
Sawa. Yumva mwana.
Handsome, confident, ATC controller, looking for intrepid pilot.
Handsome, huh?
Land the damn plane and see for yourself.
Leno ugiye guparika iyo ndege nawe uraza kwibonera.
Deputy, let's bring it in.
Deputy, okay. Hakuno. Kureba. Nawe ameze nabi. Winston.
Hey.
We, Winston we. Kigabo ari inyuma nacyo.
Almost there.
Harabura gato ngo tugere mwana. Byiza. Byiza kigabo do. Hey.
You.
Hey.
Stupid. Why didn't you kill me?
Kigwargiye kucyutanyishe.
Hey!
Hey!
Why did you just kill me?
Kucyutanyishe.
Like you.
Kubera ko ntameze nkawe.
I'm gonna tear you apart.
Gendaza kugucamo ibice.
Fucking pieces.
Agace ku kandi.
You're gonna need the entire forensics team to identify you.
Ndetse bazanakenera forensic kugira ngo baterateranye uduce twawe bamenye ko ari wowe.
I'm gonna enjoy it too.
Shandaza kubyishimira nabyo. Mwana umenya ndi haye ariko we yimereye nabi. Zamuteza morphine. Iriya nindi ndege mbonyera. Kureba. Fighter jets. Ndege zibaherekeje babahereje indege zo kubaherekeza. Hey! Dore indege do. Zimigi zikire. Hasani we.
There's a plane tailing us.
Kandi indege zituri inyuma kandi zisa nk'iza gisirikare. Nabyumvisha indege nimwe mu zacu ntari bigiye kubaherekeza mwe muhumure. Giye kubaherekeza mu nzira zose.
That's good.
Byiza mwana. Byiza.
Tex?
Iriya ndege igiye kubarinda. Nikubitekereza.
You think it's there to help?
Uracheka iri hano ngo ibafashe? Kigabo kirasa.
How is it supposed to do that?
Iriya ndege sirabafasha iki?
It's there to protect everyone else from you.
Iriya ndege hano ngo ibarinde ahubwo mwebwe ibarinda abandi bantu bose.
Of course, to crash into a school or something.
Mugiye mwaba iyi ndege mugiye kuyigongesha nk'ikigo cy'amashuri cyangwa iki?
It's there to shoot you down.
Iriya ndege rani ngo ihita ibarasa.
You're full of shit.
Mwana uziko wuzuye umwana. Kirasa.
Gotta lose, huh? 3 of us? A bunch of kiddies playing patty cake in the schoolyard playground.
Umwe murumva iriya ndege bitewe ku burusha uko yakwita nko ku kigo cy'abana buzuye mu kigo bari kwirira amakeke. Harya we nturi umunyamibare. Kora imibare wakigoryo. Ntago biri buberata, ntago biri bube. Iyi ndege tugiye kuyiparika neza cyane. Weho muhumure iyo ndege ndaje nyiparikire. Aho kuni kigabo wapi biranga. Ibigiye kubyishimira. Hey.
Son, I see the runway.
Wendi kubona lana we mwana. Byiza cyane nanjye ndi kubabona.
Passing 1,500 feet.
Tugeze muri feet 1,500 ya speed, tugeze kuri 90 umuvuduko dufite mu kirere. Hasani,
I'm here.
Ndakumva.
There's a crosswind that kicked up. I recommend we try a practice run.
Hari umuyaga mwinshi, niyo mpamvu nagira ngo mbabwire muze gukata mu parike ku rundi ruhande. Winston we kureba kandi bari kumugazengurutsa indege ze guca ku rundi ruhande.
Landing improve for the practice run.
He's not gonna make it. I barely feel it.
Mwana ntago byaza gukunda ko uyu musore yaza kuba akiri muzima no gutera ko ndi kumva ari ibibazo. Iyi ndege ngiye kuyiparika nuna uko byagenda kose. Nageragezaga kukugira inama ariko niwe mu pilote sinzi.
Okay, you are clear to land.
Sawa, wemereye guparika indege. Zamura amazuru y'indege yawe. Kuno network mba numva na connection mba mbona ntazi kuntu ziri kugenda ugasanga filimi ivuyeho n'iki. Kuno banza gabanya byose. Trot nyigejeje kuri 25. Ibi ngiye kubyishimira ikigabono. Kira gutya. Funi gikumwe kure mipfingu. Shawara gikonyora cyebwe. Ayiwe.
Altitude.
Ubutumburuke.
Altitude's at 1,000 feet.
Tugeze nko kuri feet 1000 byiza cyane. Hanyuma amavuta musigaranyemo.
I don't see flaps.
Ntayo ndi kubona. Kigabo hakuno kiri kwikuramo ipingu. Kiri kwikuramo ipingu.
It's there.
Hasani ratabiriye.
Around gray lever just to the right of the throttle.
Hakuno mubwira ikindi amanura.
Flaps to full.
Sa flaps zose ndazimanuye. Kigabo kikuramo ipingu wani bazeka ikigo kikuramo ipingu rikakibagura urukomoka do.
To the right of the throttle.
Manura.
Flaps to full.
Flaps ndazimanuye dore uruhudo dore ukuntu ruri komoka dore kigabo. Ayiwe. Kigabo hano kiri komora. Chewe. Kigabo kirongera kivayo bundi bushya.
Almost there.
Harabura gatongo tagera ikigabo kiragaruka. Chewe, wani indege. Ese ko mano uri gukaraga indege? Ntago njyana muri gereza ninjo. Faya! Nasingegera yerekara yibembekereza. Faya rongera arayira. Nasingegera. Arasimbwa yamuzonze kuva kare. Ayo ni amasasu numvishije ra. Deputy. Ndejyaniranga. Kadege karanga bari bagiye kugaparika. Deputy Harris uracyanyumvara? Ndi hano Imana ishimwe. Uri kubikora neza mwana. Kigali we. Moteri ivuyeho. Hassan moteri ivuyeho. Amavuta aragushiranye karibira nyine. Ariko nibyo byiza kuko ubu ngubu indege unayikrashinze ntago yashya kuko nta mavuta arimo ntago yaturika. We ntago ujya ukenera moteri ngo uparike indege. Kigali we. We komeza indege uyitwarira aho ngaho harabura gato ngo muparike. Ibintu byose bimeze neza. Tugeze muri feet nka 600. Hari umuyaga uri gukomeza ugukaraga ariko we komeza ukandagire pedal uyikomeze kandagira pedal uyikomeze iri ibumoso sawa. Kandagira kubona lana w'imbere iri ahantu bagomba guparika indege. Uri indege kugira ngo iparike banza kwirukanka no kuzamuka banza kwirukanka. Nico bita runaway. Ni inzira yirukanyiramo. Kururiyo yo kuyiyegereze yikurure kugira ngo indege ibashe kubanza amapine y'inyuma bagera kuri runaway. Bari kuyibona imbere yabo. Feet 100. Byiza cyane abayirwa n'imigisha. Okay. Hakuno. Rayibona runaway. Sinzi. Ugeze muri feet nk'ijana. Amahirwe n'imigisha mwana. Kuki ibyo gusa? See you on the ground. Tuze kubonanira ku butaka. Ndaza kugufata saa 12:05 dusohoke tujye kunywa kantu twabyemeranyije. Feet 20. Touchdown. Ndege kora hasi. Ndege kora hasi. Ranka. Ndege ridunda. Kadege karidunda na kadege gatoya. Hari ukubanza ipine kitambitse. Imodoka no zakizimya mwoto dore ya indi yari yiherekeje du. Za ndege z'imigi zari zigaherekeje akangaka ya mbere iraminuka. Koze ipine hasi rya mbere niracika. Ipine riracika kadege karidunda. Ibi babyita gucrashinga nagaru kurandinga. Imodoka zakizimya mwoto ubwo ziba ziri hafi aho amambulanse abari dore indege ngiri karaga ku kibuga cy'indege mu masaha y'ijoro. Dore indege kadege karikaraga do. Kadege karikaraga biranga ariko sinzi kigaba hakuno. kigaba kibanza kisemura hasi pako modoka ihita icyambara bagasigara mu kadege hano. Kadege karikaraga ariko sinzi kiza benzine yari yashizemo ntabwo kasha. Kadege gahagarara hano kahagaze hano. Hey Gasani abuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Abuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Ebe ze gutya paritse akadege. Winston we arahamugejeje. Kumbi ntacyo araba. Maraso yaramubanye make isereri gusa. Winston.
Cool, did we land?
Mwana twaparitse. We nta nibyo yumvishije bazizagara. Iyo twaparitse mwana. Kigaba imodoka isi cyambara. Kazi keza mwana. Meze neza mwakomeretse. Oya.
Take him fast.
Uwo mubanze mu mujyane bamuteye ibyuma incuro ebyiri. Yabuze amaraso menshi mu mujyane. Twari dufite undi mugenzi agiye he? Yavuye mu ndege ntiyabashije kurokoka ikamyo yamwambaye shaho. Imana ishimwe. Imana ishimwe. We wo mu mutware gake. Yabuze amaraso menshi mwana mu mujyane. Ni ugomba kujya gutanga ubuhamya gashinza Moleti. Rebe bamucanye hano nayo habuze rimwe ritanga abiri. Kadege karaba karaze. Fata phone hano sat phone show kirano
fuck off.
Tumuka nawe mva imbere. Hakuno vuye hano. Rebe Gwayi baramufashe. Gore nasohokamo. Cyemeze neza meze neza naribi. Meze neza. Rebye aramuzanya arahamugejeje aho yagombaga kumugeza. Arabikoze. Hey. Bikoze. Hakurya hari izindi zaparitse. Do. Rebye hano umusore. Ewan! Wow, undi wari uri kumuyobora Hasani. Turabikoze mwana, turabikoze mwana. Turabikoze mwana. Barabikoze. Ebe. Umaye. Cyacho gifite urusura rumeze gutyo. Yarakibona do. Kigabo. Kije kimeze nk'ari ikiganga. Cyambaye imyenda y'abaganga. Kibona gita kinjira muri ambulance umusore agiye mu dore isura do. Isura ubona ubundi ukabona nta keza kayo. Narebye abitekereza yitonze ariko sinzi. Hey, Fayano fungurano kujyano kumbe bari kumunigisha ishashi. Fanebuna fajya ahita yica. Bose babireba bari bamwishe. Winston bari bamwishe. Bari bamunigishije akavera mwana kubera iki ngiye bega umunsi umva Winston ariko Sikigari we. Mana yanjye.
This fucking day.
What a fucking day. Bega umunsi mubi. Miriko niki kiri kujya mbere aho ngaho? Sinakubwiye ngo nta kurasana. Wa kigorye nugaruka muri Bulgaria nzakuyicira. Hayo kuno. Miriko byarangiye?
No.
Oya director Coglage we. Ntago birarangira. Alice.
You are.
Ariko we birakurangiranye. Nta hantu ho kucikira umfite. Gasani. Kibazo. Kwanya urugamba. Kwanya intamba ikomeye. Ntako atagize yaramuzanye umugore. Ntako atagize do. Hasani yarumiwe. Mada kudasanzwe. Ya filime nirangiye. Mel Gibson umuhitinzi ni wa directinzi ya filime. Jya yisobanuye banyitaga heza. Mwibutse ushaka kugira ya filime iyi ni nyinshi nkazo. Mwishyura abonema kuri website yitwa gasobanuyefilms.com. Ubundi mugende muri iryo show. Yo. See you. Reka mbanze mbasigiremo ka advert kamwe gato. Ubundi dore muzikurikira.
Waba ushaka kugura cyangwa kugurisha? Gorilla Line nicyo gisubizo cyawe. Ukeneye telefone, laptop, imyenda igezweho, ibikoresho byo mu rugo, amavuta y'ubwiza cyangwa ibindi nk'intebe, frigo, tapi, okaziyo ndetse n'ibishya. Gorilla Line irabigufitiye kandi ku biciro bito. Dusange ku rubuga rwacu ari rwo www.gorillaline.com ubundi urebemo icyo ukeneye, cyane ko umukiriya yivuganira n'umucuruzi binyuze muri chat bagaciririkanya. Ikindi kandi Gorilla Line yabashyiriyeho uburyo bwo kwinjiza amafaranga igihe washarinze igicuruzwa icyo ari cyo cyose kiri muri Gorilla Line ku nshuti zawe cyangwa abandi abo ari bo bose. Igihe baguze uhita uhabwa komisiyo aho waba uri hose. Umva ko kandi yemwe bacuruzi mufungura amaduka yanyu kuri Gorilla Line, mucuruza amasaha 24/7, maze ibyo mucuruza bigere ku bakiriya benshi, ndetse n'igihe iduka ryanyu rifunze shop yanyu ikomeza ikora. Urahinga ukeza ukabura aho ugurishiriza ibyo wejeje? Gorilla Line ije kuba igisubizo cyawe. Shyira umusaruro wawe ku isoko ryacu. Gorilla Line igufasha kugeza umusaruro wawe ku bakiriya bose mu Rwanda, kandi ibyo byose biba mu gihe gito. Tunga app yacu ya Gorilla Line unyuze kuri Apple Store cyangwa Play Store, cyangwa ukaduhamagara kuri 0788982177. Gorilla Line, isoko ryawe aho uri hose.